Welcome in, welcome. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Back to business. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rob Trades. Let's go. Who we got here today? What up, Louis? Ooh, Louis G with them. Oh, Lord, I lift my hand with Louis G in the house. What up, Louis G? What's good? George VDM. Mike goes in the building. What up, Purpose? Ewan's in the house. What up, Ewan? Rob Trades in the building. Storm Players in the house. Chawla's here. I seen Chawla first in line here today. My man YOLO Traders in the house. AB Mike is in the building. What up, AB Mike? Okay, AB Mike, I see you. Throwing wrenches today, huh? Hey. You better be careful with AB Mike, man. He's ready. TTW's in the building. What up, TTW? What up, Yanosh? Mod Squad in the house today. What up, Legrand? Legrand's in the building. What up, Xander? What's good, Brad? What up, everyone? W's in the chat here today. W's in the chat. We got some motion. Got a trade is in the building. Joe Stewart is in the house. What up, Joe Stu? Perez in the building. What up, Grid? Grid's in the house today. What up, Grid? What up, Kelvin? Good to see you here, man. Stephen B's in the building. What's good, everyone? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a blessed weekend. Hope it was fantastic for you. But we are back. Yeah, we are back. It is a new week. It is Monday. It is the 29th of January, and we're ready to have a great day here. Yeah, we're ready to have a great one. Let me just get Zoom sent out. One moment. How did everyone's weekend go? Talk to me. Talk to me. You guys have a good weekend? Got a trade. Did you have a good weekend, sir? YOLO Trader, you had a good weekend. Hero of the Day is in the building. What up, Hero of the Day? What's good, Ricardo? Ricardo's in the house. What up, Josh? What's up, Jessica? What up, PM Magnifico? What up, AJ? The whole fam's here today. That one guy. What up, that one guy? What's good, Christian? Yeah, let me send the Zoom link out real quick. Share my screen. Alright. Alright, perfect. Alright, I think we're good to go. Hey, gang, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join our free Discord now. I'm telling you, the environment is on another level. Another level. Discord is popping. Let me Alright, Zoom link is out. My screen is being shared, and I think we're ready to rock and roll. What do you guys say? You guys ready to go? Ready to go? We may have another giveaway up our sleeve this week. May have another giveaway today. Maybe it's tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm not too sure. But I could just feel another one coming. But it may be a surprise. So you got to be here every day. So, all right, let's do it, gang. I think I'm all straight. I'm good to go. Again, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed some time off the charts, and I hope some of you guys took the time to grind. You know, everyone's in a different season. Some people are really learning, and they're not earning just yet, so they're grinding all weekend. Some people are earning already, and they've earned the right to hang out with their family this weekend and chill out and have a good time and ride jet skis or do whatever they had to do, right? So you have to understand which phase are you in? Which season are you currently in? And both seasons are absolutely incredible. So embrace them both and keep marching forward. Let me just lower the music a little bit. And I think we're good. Yeah. All right, cool. We're good. So what up, Joseph? Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Welcome in. Anyway, gang, let's get started here. Welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like on your way in, friendly reminder to give the stream a like here today. We're going to begin the day like we do every day, and we're going to kind of check out what's going on in the news, check the forecast as we go out for a surf, and make sure there is no tsunami coming or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news and see what we got. You guys give the stream a like or what? TTP. Yeah, let's pray first. Yeah, let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day, a new week, Lord. I pray blessings over your people here today. I pray you bless them in the most obvious ways, Lord. We thank you for the season. The season, either we're earning or we're learning, Lord. We just ask for your guidance in both seasons, Lord. We thank you for taking your time with us and giving us hope and a future, Lord. We thank you. We just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 Thank you for that. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah. Get back to the prayer here. There we go. All right, perfect. Yeah, a lot of you guys looking for the prayer here today. Awesome, man. I love that. I love that. Amen's in the chat. Recording is active, Yanosh. Thank you very much. And I think we're ready to rumble. I think we're good to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news and see what we got going on here. 1 hour close. No bottom wick here, huh? All right, yeah, let's take a look at the news here, and then we'll jump into the charts and see what we got going on for the day. So taking a look here, it is Monday. It is the 29th of January, and not much happening today. Actually, nothing really at all for the US dollar. So pretty clean here today. Should be a pretty smooth, straightforward day here on gold, and any other pair for that matter. You got some stuff happening on the yen, but that's not till later tonight. So that's it. So Monday today, we're pretty clean, nothing in our way. We'll look for positions during high times of volume, and we'll swing the bat and we'll see if we can get on base here today. So that's today. Tomorrow is going to be the 30th. There's 31 days here in January, but tomorrow, don't let Monday fool you, gang, because we have a huge week coming up in terms of fundamental news, right? In terms of red folders here. So as we creep into Tuesday, we'll see that we're pretty clean up until about 9, and then once 10 a.m. comes around, here come some red folders here with Jolt's job opening, plus you got the consumer confidence here at 10 a.m. tomorrow as well, and then pretty straightforward the rest of the day. Wednesday, though, Wednesday's the last day of the month, and Wednesday's the biggest day of the month. Wednesday, we're going to be seeing, it's the 31st here, so we're going to see a lot of red folders here. We got ADP at 8:15. We have unemployment cost index here at 8:30. We have crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then at 2 p.m. we have the FOMC. We got Mr. Jerome Powell in the house, and we will be streaming 2 streams here on Wednesday. So we'll have a stream early in the morning, a normal stream, and then we'll have another stream come like 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. Will be our second stream. We'll watch the press conference. We'll see if we can get any positions, and that'll be on Wednesday. So midway through the week here, we come into Thursday, which is going to be the first of February here. So cruising through January, about to hit February. We'll have unemployment claims coming in. We got the prelims as well coming in here, all at 8:30, and then there's some more news at 10, right? PMI coming in at 10. And then Friday is another big one, right? So Friday you have the unemployment rate, which is the NFP, non-farm payroll. So got a lot of news here this week, gang. A lot of news. This is going to be awesome, right? This is the week that we've been talking about for 2 or 3 weeks now, right? Sam's been bringing it up quite a bit about the Fed speaking, giving us some information on what it is that they're looking to do and what direction they're looking to go. So major week here for us, chat. Also Tuesday, we're going to have Clay from Top One Trader come in, and he's going to just come in and hang out, do somewhat of a Q&A or something, help us out and just give us some of his knowledge and some of his wisdom when it comes to not only trading but what's going on behind the scenes in the big prop space. So that will be the week here today and throughout the rest of the remainder of the week. So we're pretty clean today, but we got to get ready come midweek here. It's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be a battle. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see what we got. You guys ready for a top-down analysis? If you guys could like the stream, that'd be fantastic. Did I perhaps contact you on Discord? Nope. Definitely an imposer. Definitely one of them imposer dudes that are probably watching the stream right now. Shout out to the imposer dudes. Yeah, just doing some weird stuff. Awesome. Yeah, let's do a top-down analysis here, and we'll set up the day here. Yeah, we're good to go. So let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame here, because the monthly is coming to a close, and it's coming to a close here in about 3 days, right? 3 or 4 days. I think Thursday is going to be the first day of the month. And let's see what we're looking at, right? So as you guys can see, gold has really moved up recently, right? Off of this support, we've been able to push up. We've been able to really break all these highs. Let's kind of take it back real quick because we got a little bit of time. Let me just check that 1 hour candle. Yeah, we got some time here. Let's go to the monthly and just chat real quick, right? Because taking a look at the monthly, this is, and just to kind of give you guys a zoomed out version of where we really are in gold, just take a look at this. So this is where we're actually at, right? So these were obviously the lows, and now we're up in the all-time highs here. So gold has never been above this area. As you can see, there is absolutely zero going on to the left hand side here, right? So nothing going on. This is complete outer space at this point for gold, and we're up in these all-time highs here. So let's zoom back in so we can chat about it a little bit. So music's too loud. Hold on. All right, that should be perfect. So as we can zoom back in and talk about this, let's go ahead and break it down, right? Because we know that gold has been riding in these all-time highs, right? So you guys can see that this is the all-time high area right here. Prior to what we see happening over the last month or two, this was the all-time highs. Too low? Too low. No, we're going to leave it right there. These were the all-time highs, right? So you had 3 pretty nasty rejections in this zone, right? 1, 2, and 3. And every time we rejected, price did move down, right? We created resistance, moved down, created resistance, moved down, created this resistance. We moved down, but very sloppy. So you can tell that gold was struggling, right? We were never able to get past this support level here, and we just rejected it, right? So you have the rejection there, and that's when price began to move back up. So price has been moving up very heavily here, right? You had a very strong candle bullish closure after a candle closing with no bottom wick, and price had just missed closing above. My bad, that's too crooked. Price had just missed closing above this range here, right? So next candle came down. We weren't sure, would this candle reject, right? Would it reject like every other candle did and continue down? That's the question we were asking ourselves back in I think this was November. Yeah, November. But we didn't, right? We actually moved up. We created a really nice bottom wick. We moved up and we closed above this whole range right here. So not only did we close above, but the next candle came down, bursted up, and created this top wick, breaking these all-time highs, right? So now that we're breaking the all-time highs, we've just done a lot. We really have. Any of you guys ever run sprints? You guys run sprints at all? And then you got to stop because you're just exhausted, right? You're just a little bit exhausted and you're like, got to catch your breath. Well, I think that's where we are currently sitting on gold, right? So this monthly candle that we're looking at here is going to close in about 3 days, right? 3 days, we'll get a closure here, and anything could happen in this next 3 days, especially with what we got ahead of us. But to me, it looks like the candle may close bearish, right? We may close bearish, and if we do close bearish, there's a very high chance that we will retest, right, these levels here that we came from. So this whole zone, right, retest that zone. You may even get a further push down, some sort of exhaustion wick, and then your support to move back up. So we'll see how this candle closes here in 2 days, or really 3 days, and that'll give us a lot better direction on where February may take us. But you know, we are pretty bearish currently with 2 days left on this candle. Let's go to the weekly, see what that looks like. And weekly did close bearish, right? So we did close bearish last week. Very surprising actually, because it looked as if we were going to create a support there, right? Towards the end of the week, it looked like we were going to not close bearish, but actually move up, close bullish, and then, you know, give the next candle an opportunity to run up. But no bueno, right? So we did close bearish. I am anticipating this current candle here to move bearish as well and do something like this after creating a top wick, drive down to retest these lows, potentially fill this wick, and then potentially even close below the range, right? If we close below that range, there's a high chance our next stop is this wick fill right here, and then you have a new support down there, right? So potential move coming down on the weekly. It just all depends on how this weekly candle, if it wants to break these lows and continue to move down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and see what we got going on, because look, this was the first, literally the first day, first couple hours of the weekly, we've just kind of blasted up with no bottom wick. So very, very interesting here. Not much selling pressure in this weekly candle at all just yet. So daily also did break the highs, so it looks like we closed bearish there yesterday or Friday, but right, we created a support, candle closed bearish, but we've broken the highs here. We're now approaching this area in which there are lots of wicks, right? Lots of wicks in this zone. So we'll see what happens with price as we move through the session here today. But we did retest that resistance there. We are pretty bullish off the daily. 4 hours moving up pretty strong here as well. We do have a wick to fill. There's also clean range coming up towards 2034 here, so that's going to also be the wick fill. 4 hour lows are all respecting each other. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour did create a support right here, and this would have looked really good had we had a bottom wick. So no bottom wick on this candle, so no entries for me just yet, but this is what I'm looking for, some sort of support here at 2028. 4 hour looks good, 1 hour looks pretty good. 30-minute, again, no top wick and no bottom wick, so not really the best in terms of price action here on the 1 hour 30. Just gonna probably wait at this point for a 30-minute closure and see where we're at. So yeah, we do look pretty bullish here on the day. We should be good to come up and retest these highs, but we got the setup but not the entry here, so just gotta wait at this point. And then yeah, anything above this 2027 area should be good for buys to move up, and then anything below, I would say below 25 here is where I'll look to take sells. So sells below 25, boom, and then probably gonna target like these levels down here, 2020 or 2018, even like 2016 today if we want to rip down and break the 4 hour lows here. So that's what I'll look for in terms of, yeah, it's pretty clean all the way down on the 4 hour as well. So that's what I look for in terms of sells. And then buys, I like this, but no top wick and no bottom wick. So this is exactly what I was looking for. There's only a few missing components, and they're important. So no trade here for me just yet. And we'll see how the 30-minute closes here in, what is it, 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes here. So yeah, that's going to be the day on gold. Yeah, that is it. Anybody in the buys? I can't take these buys with no bottom wick. Yeah. Joe Stewart's in the building. Joe Stewart, you in the buys? Mod Club Nights. Hey, you going to put that 50K to work today? Putting that 50K to work. Nice. Juicer. We got a juicer here. Alrighty, let's take a look at GJ here as well. Oh my God, man, my voice today. Forgive my voice today. A+ setups only. That's right, Louis G. That's why he's a G. What up, TK? What's good, TK? TK, bright and early. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here and see what we got going on. Haven't really looked at pound yen since Friday, so let's go ahead and get rid of everything and see what's the deal. So monthly candles are just struggling, you know, just trying to catch their feet again, see where they want to go. So candles are getting bigger as we move through the last 2 months, but just a lot of consolidation in here. Weekly candle is bearish, right? We did close like weak doji bearish right at this level of resistance there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here. Yeah, daily's just chopping around. So not the best day here to trade pound yen. Even gold. Even gold, if you look at the daily, we're kind of just moving sideways here. Really no clean price action just yet. But going back to GJ, we're in this range. We're struggling a little bit. We are bullish based off of the closure, but we're bullish right at resistance, right? We're bullish right at this level of resistance here. Not much you can really do it. Today's closure, if we get a breakout, really gives us some better direction here. But as of right now, we're literally just kind of, you know, chopping around in this nasty. This would be like a no trade range, right? On the if this is like a 30-minute time frame, this would be like, you know, I'm not touching this range here. So pretty nasty. But let's see if we can pull some trades out of this range here today. So taking a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour is moving down bearish. We close with very little to no bottom wick there. Price moving up now, bullish. 1-hour candles are just kind of printing sideways here, right? You just got this couple sideways candles right here. 30-minute time frame should lead us to a little bit more consolidation. Yeah, if you get a 30 close and we could pull back, there may be a buy there, but nothing too special. Nothing too special. I think sells are pretty clean if we can close below, and if we can get a pullback, then maybe the buys are good. If not, possibly take buys above 88 here. Yeah, let me see the 4-hour. Yeah, we'll see. I'd much rather take sells. So we'll see if we can get this candle maybe to close at resistance with no top wick. Next candle to close bearish, giving us resistance. Then there may be an opportunity for price to keep moving down here. And then below there, you got clean traffic to the left. So yeah, not much we could do here on pound yen. Just gotta wait this out. Yeah, just gotta wait it out. Yeah. Candles moving up very nicely here though. 20 push for like 24 pips here. So 30-minute candle. We'll see what happens at this resistance level. Yeah, that's it. And then let's take a look at Nas really quick, and then we will kick back and see when we could take a position here. So weekly's moving up here. I think you got a weekly wick fill. We're freaking so bullish here on Nas, man. Dailies did close bearish here, so I would assume that we can create a support at some point here, right? So this is the daily time frame. If we can close bullish here today, then you already know, right? Let's say you close bullish, something like this here today. You already know the next candles should be good to continue driving up, because there is nothing, and I mean nothing, stopping Nas at this point, man. It's just running up. We did get 2 bearish candles, which is good. I'd like to see if we can get maybe a 3rd and a 4th. That way we have more range, because again, just like gold, these are the all-time highs up here. So, you know, it gets a bit tough to trade in the all-time highs. But going down to the 4-hour, let's see what we got. We have a decent wick fill ahead of us on the 4-hour. Looks like we did create support here. You also have a resistance level here. This is the current range. It is a tradable range. Looks like it's like a 45 pip wick fill. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour. 1-hour is slowing down quite a bit here though. There's a very strong resistance right here. You also have a support here as well. So what I'll look to do here on Nas is take my buys above 17,475 here today. Buys above there. Let this range a little bit. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, buys above this 17,475, and then I'll look for range 2 sells below 17,440 here. Yeah, and then if not, I'll take clean sells below 17,420. Yeah, you got a nice clean range coming down, and you should be good to tap into that support. So yeah, so that's gonna be Nas. 4 hours big here. We'll see what happens. I'd like to see if we can pull back here. If we can pull back and create support, like even look for a fake out or something down here. Right here, come NY open, right? You get some sort of support to form somewhere down in this range, then we could take our buys, right? Because if the 4-hour wants to move up to fill that wick, all it needs is a nice little pullback, support formed, and then we can potentially take buys moving up. And then if you do get a closure above 17,475, like I said, then the next candle should follow suit. So that is that's the day here, gang. That is the day. Yeah, we'll take our sells below these levels here. And actually, I'm not going to look for a range 2. I'm more so going to look for a fake out, like we talked about, you know, some sort of a fake out to take buys. So let's see if we can get a bleeder on this next 30 and then create some sort of support down here and look to take this thing back up. So yeah, that's it. That's all 3 pairs. That's the day. We've done the hard part. We've done the legwork, and now we just sit back, relax, and let things fall into our lap. That is it. Clone these up, make it look good, and boom. Boom. That's it. Pretty clean targets too here today on Nas, right? If you're gonna move up here on the daily, right, then we should be good to come into these highs here, right? Or we may pull back, and that's why I'm open for sells, because if we do pull back, then either the candle can re-break its own low and continue down, or it pulls back to leave a wick for tomorrow. So close like very small bullish, create a support, and then yeah. But I think that's all. Yeah, that's it. Gold ran with no bottom wick. It is what it is. Now we wait. Oh, what up, Fahad? What's good? Was good? Good to see you here today. Hope you have a pretty good week, a pretty solid week. I hope you have a pretty solid week as well, man. Let's get it. Let's get to it. Let's win the week. How do we win the week, gang? Well, first of all, we need a goal. First of all, we need a goal, and then we need to win the day. And we need to win it every day. And I don't mean profit, loss. I mean, what are you doing, right? What are the daily habits you're going to stick to? What are the daily disciplines you're going to stick to? What success habits are you going to apply day in and day out to make you better, to help you win the day, which in return will help you win the week, right? Are we going to stick to our plan this week? That should be your goal above all else. Is this week, I will stick to the plan. This week, I will not blow it. Some of you guys did real good last week. You did real good up until Friday, right? And then Friday, you just threw it all away. Not because you took a good loss, but because you took a loss and then maybe overtraded, or maybe you just took a trade that wasn't fitting the plan. You just took it because you just felt like you had to take a trade. And these are the things that you're working on chipping away, right? Day in and day out. It's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. You know, I remember times where I would do really, really well, have a really good week going. Thursday, I'll go back to my old ways, right? And then damn, man. Damn, you know, and then I would last a little bit longer, and then I would last a full week, and then I would last 2 weeks, and then I would last 3 weeks in a row. And anytime I messed up, I felt bad about it at that point, right? I knew that I was breaking the plan, and I knew it cost me. So it's almost like repentance, right? You start feeling bad about your sin, right? In the beginning, you just taking trades, you just feel bad about losing. You don't feel bad about taking the trade necessarily, right? You just like, damn, I took a loss. Oh my God, damn, right? But eventually you begin to feel bad about breaking your plan. And once you feel bad about breaking the plan, that's when you know you're onto something. That's when you know you're about to get ready to win, and win big at that. Because now you just say, okay, I'm going to go the next day. I'm just going to follow my plan, right? Every day should just be follow the plan. And then you will stack days, and you will stack weeks, and you will stack months, and then you will stack some paper. You know, it's a law. It's the law of success. When you do the right things, when you do the things that lead to success, you will be successful. The problem is most people know what to do, but they don't do it, right? Or like we're talking about, they only do it for a couple days, and then they slack off. So don't let that be you this week. Don't let it be you this week. Tag who's it, right? Don't let it be you this week. Don't let it be you this month. Whether it's your trading, whether it's your trading plan, whether it's your diet plan, whether it's your workout plan, just follow it. That's all you got to do. You know what to do. Which trade copy do I use? I use Traders Connect. There should be a link in the Discord in the chat for it. Yo, yo, what up, Ali Reza? Hey, Forex Frank. Bink, bink. Do you mind checking a trade I posted in the Discord? No, absolutely not. Let's take a look. London session. Let's take a look, my friend. Let's take a look. Oh, W London session. Looks like y'all did good. Who was that? Blind Guardian? All right, cool. Let's take a look. Blind Guardian. What I consider this an A+ setup. Close above resistance and enter on the high. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So, love it, man. You had this marked off as your zones, right? You didn't touch anything in between there. So, it doesn't look like you bit on this support being formed, which is totally fine. You got your closure above that you were looking for. Entry, yeah. Looks like you entered on the break of this high. Probably could have entered on the break of this high, but either way, great idea, great trade. Guess there was some other zone over here, and yeah, looks good. Looks good. Looks good, man. Simple breakout. Yeah, simple breakout. Bullish day. Or no, we were breaking the highs there, so yeah, good idea. Yeah, I love it. Good trade. Good trade, good trade. All right, what's gold gonna do here? Yeah, A+ setup. Oh yeah, got you, got you. Oh, nice. Just bought 250Ks with top fund. Top one, nice, dude. That's solid. That's solid, solid. Yeah, they've been pretty good so far. Pretty good. I like their I like Think Markets. You guys have been telling me about Think Markets for quite some time, and I like them. I'm excited to test out GJ. What'd you guys do this weekend? You guys post anything in the food channel? Oh, nice. Oh, you guys did. Oh, hero of the day, bringing out the whole ribeye. Yeah, that's right. Manila with that nice petite steak. Yeah, I threw a bunch of ribeyes. Oh, nice healthy bowl there. Nice, nice. What up, Brax? Let's go. It's good. I have a doubt on gold scenario, 30-minute close with no top wick, but 1 hour looks good. In this scenario, can we take buys based on the 1 hour? Yes. Yep. Yeah, the only thing is there's no bottom wick on this 1 hour. So I don't know if you mean this candle here, but I would have taken a buy here if we had a bottom wick. But no bottom wick. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Brax in the building. What up, Brax? Ate some nice steak. Let's go. What up, Sandman? Yeah, what up, TK? Yeah, Traders Connect, they're still fixing their update. Yeah. So is TradeZella. Yeah, a lot of, I guess MetaTrader didn't make all their outside dudes aware of the update, the major update that they were doing. So a lot of other like trade copiers and all that stuff are now behind trying to trying to work on getting the update done. What up, Nick? Congrats on your kid. Hey, what up? Show me the money. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Man, little Kingston's been awesome. He's a gem. He's been great. Today we have the owner of Top Gun. Tomorrow, Top Gun. We have the owner of Top One. How many guys have watched Top Gun? I've watched that movie so many times. Every time I say Top One, I say Top Gun. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to have Clay in here, gang. That's a big deal, by the way. Like, most of these guys that own these prop firms will never, ever, ever come on a live stream, do live Q&As. They're always behind some sort of camera, like with fixed questions and all that stuff. So we're going to let it rip in the chat and talk to Clay tomorrow. And, you know, he's a phenomenal trader, by the way. Like, this dude trades, and he's got a lot of knowledge. I've enjoyed all my conversations with this dude. Like, we do have some enlightenment stories. I mean, this guy, I'll give you a little bit of his background, man. This dude was living out in Nashville. I think he grew up in Nashville, and he got beat down, man. Like, he got the daylights beaten out of him one night at a bar, like really bad, like fractured his skull, like really, really bad beating. And he was like, couldn't walk, nothing. So they put him on obviously like pain medication. He got addicted to the pain medication. He started abusing it, and then he started abusing other drugs, moved on to like hard drugs like heroin and all that. And he died like 3 times. Like, this dude, they found this dude in the public bathroom, dead, overdosed. And you know, God just had a plan for his life. God just was like, nope, we're going to keep you here. We're going to keep you here. So they revived him with the Narcan and all that. And this dude changed his life around. I mean, I love a guy who gets the daylights beat out of him in life and then comes back and just says, give me some more. Like, just comes back and just dominates in the game. And that's what Clay has done. And I'm just so impressed by his story. You got to see some of the before and after pictures. It's gruesome almost. But this dude is a full-blown drug addict and completely changed his life, completely been enlightened, went to some sort of retreat and never been the same ever since. Got his life back in shape, found trading, became a phenomenal trader, then ended up, you know, beginning a prop firm, and he's killing it in life today. Like, if you've seen his before and afters, you'd be like, nah, there's no way that's the same guy. But yeah, amazing story. Maybe he'll share some of his story tomorrow. That it's admirable. Not many people can come back from what he came back from. Very, very few. Very few. What up, Green? What up? Oh, Shad's in the building. What up, Shad? How you feeling today? What's goody? What's goody? Yeah, I got mad respect for Clay, man. Mad respect for Clay because, like I said, not many guys can do that. Not many guys can go into a horrible, horrible state of being and pull himself out of it. So, big W for Clay, and big W for a lot of you guys in the chat who have done the same thing. Some of you guys have battled. Really, really battled, myself included. You know, I've been an underdog my whole life, and some of you guys have been the underdog as well, and I love to root for the underdog, man. Yes, sir. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Clay. He's the co-owner of Top One Trader. Yeah. Yeah, W story. And I'm butchering his story. You know, I shouldn't even bring it up. I should let him tell the story because I'm butchering it. Yeah, but dude was out cold, man. He was out. He was out, man. The devil wanted him to check out, but God said, nope. Nope. We're keeping him in the game. So I do believe he's got some incredible ideas and a incredible vision for what he's looking to do with Top One and him and Matt. And that's why I'm on board with these guys, because They line up with me. They're winners. They're champions. They got the interest of others in mind. So I love that. What do you think about SMC? SMC. Yeah, I think it's good for those who are willing to follow exactly what it says to do. I've never used SMC. Maybe I have in a different way, but I think all strategies are great. But what I don't think is great is trying to be good at all of them. I think if you can find one, master that one strategy, you can make a living for yourself. There's no need to, you know, be this excellent trader, the best trader in the world. I just think you need to be disciplined to a system and one system and pull money out of that system, and that's it. And then once you're, you know, at the point where you can do whatever you want, then maybe then go on to a new system and learn it. But whether it's this system, whether it's SMC, whether it's whatever, all the other ones, I think they're all great. I really do. I think they all work. It's just who will work them, right? Whoever's going to work them and be disciplined to them is going to win big. You know, I was explaining this to one of the guys that I'm working with in the elite program, is that, you know, you got the amateur trader who in a way will look at, you know, the next 5 trades, right? Amateur trader. And this amateur will look at these 5 trades, and if they take 5 losses, they'll go, system doesn't work, move on to the next one, right? But the professional trader is looking not at the next 5 trades, but at the next 100 trades, right? And because the professional knows that he has an edge in the market, right? He has a system that yields good results. Our system yields us anywhere from 75 to 80% win rate, right? So over the course of 100 trades, I know that we'll win 75 to 80 of them, right? But you know what can happen? We can lose 5 in a row. And you know what other system could lose 5 in a row? All of them. All of them can lose 5 in a row. The problem is the professional, or the thing is the professional, he stays composed and he sticks to his system and he lets this play out, where the amateur goes and he jumps to a new system and then a new system and a new system, and he spins his tires and he goes in this revolving door circle as a trader, and eventually you get spit out. And you either get spit out and you either lost all your money, or you're just mentally, your mental health is just like, right? Or you get spit out on this side and you become a professional and you learn how to deal with this and stick with this and stay composed during this and just run your race. Run your race. Every trader goes through this spiral. Which way will you get spit out? Right? Which way, how are you going to come out when you get spit out? You're going to come out like a professional, or you're going to go back, look for a job. What are you going to do? Back to work you go with an amateur mindset because they can't handle losses, or trading just in general, not losses, or you're going to be a pro. You're going to stick it out and you're going to get disciplined. What you going to do? What you going to do? That 9 to 5 is trying to pull you back. Say, man, they're giving $15 an hour at McDonald's these days. What you gonna do? I broke the plan for the first time in weeks. I'm annoyed at myself, but we go again. Exactly. You know, you get annoyed at yourself, and it's healthy. But you can't stay annoyed, Dominic. So on Friday, if that happened, you get a little pissed off and you go, then you begin to flip the mindset and you go, damn, I'm good. I'm good, man. I haven't broke the plan in weeks. There was a time where I used to break the plan every day. There was a time where I used to break the plan multiple times in an hour. And I haven't broke the plan in weeks. Like, damn, I should have never did that. But wow, I'm doing good. Now I can double that, right? Now you go a couple months. Maybe you break your plan here and there, get excited here and there, but it is what it is, right? You're just progressing and getting better. Yeah. Been there, done that. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? What's good? What's good? Good to see you this morning. Do you use any journaling software? Yes, I use TradeZella. TradeZella. This weekend I told my job I'm gonna quit. Oh, I've been told to quit and get a job. Ooh, Marcus, yeah. Oh, it'll come. It will come. Yeah, I was telling one of the guys here, one of my good friends last night, a story about me, a turning point story too, where I was at a fork in the road because I was really, I couldn't crack the code when it came to trading, man. And my wife was pregnant. We were about to have our first little baby. This was 3 years ago, and I didn't know what to do. You know, everyone around me was telling me, like, you need to stop this stuff. You know, it's irresponsible. You gotta be responsible and get a job and, you know, take care of your family. And, you know, I had this window of opportunity where I had some money saved up and I also had some time, right? So I was trying to learn how to trade. And I thought to myself, damn, it got to the point where I was like, damn, maybe I can't do this. You know, maybe I have to go figure something else out. So my dad was a truck driver and so was my older brother. So of course that was the direction. People, why don't you go get your CDL license, drive a truck, you can make, you know, whatever it was, 25, 35 an hour. I'm like, damn, man, just couldn't crack the code with trading. So went and applied for this job, or went to take my CDL test, and when I failed it by 1 point. And that 1 point could have made all the difference in my life. Had I passed that, you may not see me here today. Had I passed that, I may have just tried to be responsible and, you know, make sure I had a food on the table and a consistent paycheck coming in, you know, and that one failed question changed everything. And when the lady told me you failed by one, I said, praise Jesus. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Oh, yeah. Because I knew that I wasn't called to do that. I went for 2 or 3 rides in the truck with my dad. My soul was quaking. I was like, there's no way. There's no way. And especially I was already an entrepreneur. This is after I had built a network marketing business. This is after I had mentored people. This is after I had spoken on stages. Right? And my dream, the light was it was dimming down. It was almost out. And man, that day we poured some gas on the fire. And it's funny that I was like almost to the breaking point where I was going to give up. And then literally, gang, not too long after that is when we started to run. Like when we started to really crack the code and figure this trading thing out. And man, thank God, you know, life is all about these thin thread moments where you could have went either way. And I'm just so grateful for that failed you know, question. But, you know, going back to, you were saying how everyone is just kind of pressuring you to, you know, go the normal, regular, average route. But I'm here to tell you, just follow your spirit, man. You know where to go. Deep down, you know. Yeah, what up, Scott? Scott's in the house. What's goody, what's goody? You know that you know that you know that you know. Right? And I knew that I wasn't meant to do that. Yes, sir. Why do I add trades to my Excel sheet? Why do you add? Because we've been tracking them since last. So I've been tracking on this Excel sheet for like 3 years now. So number 1, habit. Number 2, TradeZella is also down right now. So they're updating their servers to connect with MT5. So that's another reason. But yeah, I like to see things. I like to write it down, see it. So I'll probably, even though I'm using TradeZella, I'll continue to use this all throughout the year. Yeah. I got 1,000 new friends. Been driving trucks for 10 years. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, my dad did that his whole entire life pretty much. Just retired like 2 years ago. All right, Goldie, Goldie. Let's see, 30-minute candle didn't do much here. See, how's the 15 looking? 15 looks good, man. If the 15 can do something like this for set us up here for NY Open, that would be awesome. So come down real quick. All right, give us a new support. Get that new support, and then we can take our buys moving up. How to restart after a losing days? You just restart. That's it. That's it. There's no deep explanation, right? Losing days are part of the game. They're part of the game. I'm here to tell you that. You're gonna have days where you're gonna lose. You're gonna have red days are okay. Red weeks are okay. Even sometimes red months are okay. Like a lot of us are fooled by this illusion here, gang. I'm telling you, the more I research real professional traders, not Instagram gurus, but real deal traders, the more I understand that losing is part of this game. Like I don't understand how some people just don't get that, right? It's okay to lose. It's okay to lose, right? We've been taught that failure is wrong. I'm here to tell you they were wrong, right? Failure is a good thing, right? And these are ways that we can learn and grow and become. And losing is a part of trading, right? You put a trade on, you either win or lose. Right? So every trade is an opportunity to lose. Every day there's an opportunity to lose. But as long as you, like I said, follow your plan, stick to your playbook setup, don't be Mr. Amateur Trader over here, but be Mr. Professional and look at the long-term game, you'll succeed. You'll succeed. Yeah. Johnny Boy's here. Okay, okay. Let's lower zoom down just a smidge here. Johnny, how you doing?
How you doing? What up, brother?
What's good? Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning, bro. How you doing? Good?
Yeah, fantastic. How about you?
Bro, I'm doing great. I'm fired up, bro. New week. You're dropping heat, bro. I'm fired up. What up, chat?
Let's go. Love it when
Hopefully,
John gets
chat,
fired
you guys
up.
are fired up.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Morning, everyone in Zoom. What's up, people? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. New week, baby. New week, new opportunities. Another opportunity to develop the skills of a professional trader. And I'm down with it. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Johnny Gems in the house.
Chat. What up, chat? Good to see you guys here again today.
It's a
Same man, what
beautiful
up?
day.
Yeah, bro. Looking for the same things here on gold.
Nice.
There.
Yeah, so gold hourly closed extremely weak. Extremely weak. Nasty hourly close there. 30-minute close strong bearish. 15-minute also closed bearish as well. Definitely not going to take a buy right here, but if we do come down a bit or create a new support and close above this range, then there may be another opportunity here for us. But Nothing here just yet.
Yeah, bro, that daily candle's a little iffy. Bro, we've been getting some weird daily candles these last couple of weeks, right? Like breaking previous candles highs and lows, you know, kind of like in the middle of bearish and bullish.
Yeah, nah,
daily, like we get that a lot.
Daily's been pretty nasty here since the beginning of the year. But yeah, February coming in, so we got the Fed speaking this week, and things should really ramp up.
Sir, yes, sir. Q1, early Q1.
Q1.
Yeah, you were talking about failure. People like fear losing, right? Man, I love failure. I love to fail forward, man. Failures give me lessons that I can take with me throughout the rest of my life. And they give me advice. You know, they tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, what I need to do right. They're great. Embrace failure.
Yeah, embrace data, right? Things are going to give you information. Failure is just there to give you information, man. That's it.
Bro, if it wasn't for failure, I wouldn't be as good as of a trader I am today. And I know for a fact neither would you, and neither would a lot of professional traders. Yeah. Need to fail.
What up, Sergio TT Bank Santos? What's goody? What's goody?
Sergio.
Consider yourself greeted, mate. Will you consider that last Q4 was tough to trade? Yeah, I was expecting a little bit more volume, to be honest, in Q4 this year after coming off a crazy Q4 in 2022, but it just wasn't the same. It was kind of back to the older, like 2021, 2020 type of Q4. So yeah, I think you know, markets have been a little slow just because we've ended the year here recently, and we've also begun the new year. So it takes a little bit of time to, you know, come down and ramp back up. Plus, there's not as many participants in the market at that point, and even up until this point right now. So, yeah.
Yeah, bro, I barely took any trades in Q4 last year.
Yep.
Went like weeks without a trade.
Middle of the range, overextended breakout, both are same or different scenarios. So here's my deal. So an overextended breakout is like if you have a resistance formed, right? And then let's say price now drives down and closes like right here, right? So you notice how like we're right at the bottom of the range here. Right, this typically when your overextended breakout won't work, but depending on where you close, right, if this same scenario happens and you get a closure towards the top of the range here, that's considered a breakout, right? So there's 3 times where volume really enters the market. Number 1, during high news events. Number 2, during session opens. And number 3, during big breakouts. So if price had been ranging for quite some time, typically it will continue, right? If it's been ranging, and then you get this, typically the next candle will drive down. Yeah. Right? But if that candle closes anywhere above this range or like right at it, it gets very difficult because at that point you'll typically see some little or smaller pullback and then the drive. So these are just things I've observed over the years here. What's up, everyone? What's up, all the new people here today? Welcome, everyone. If you guys are new, we're here every day, Monday through Friday. If you guys like the stream, if you guys have been here for a couple days, you're enjoying yourself, sub to the channel and give the stream a like here today. Yeah, give it a like. Let me give the stream a like myself.
Like.
How many likes do we got? 326. You never know. We might be giving away a 50K today, maybe tomorrow. I just feel like there's some sort of giveaway that contains 50K worth of capital from top one. I don't know. I think a little birdie was whispering that from the window this morning. I don't know what day it's going to come, though. It might come today. I'm not too sure.
Got to be here to find out. Could happen at any time.
You got to be subbed, too. If you ain't subbed,
oh,
you're out of luck.
Oh, bueno. Hey, yo, AB Mike, Mott looking good. Louis G. Wrench is looking good on y'all. Sheesh.
Looking real good. I'll be right back.
Scotty boy, what up, Scott? Morning. Yeah, better stay tuned. Facts, what up, Yanosh? YOLO trader. Yeah, facts. Gotta stay on your toes here on the TT stream. 50K accounts could be given away at any moment. Yo, what up, Dominic? What's good, Paraz? Paraz, you got that Walmart wrench. Looking good though, bro. Looking good. Good, Billy. Yeah, January's going great, Sergio. How's your January, man? First month of the year, man, you know, so super hype. What days? Oh, Dominic, I'm gonna be streaming London Tuesday through Friday. Tuesday through Friday is gonna work best for my schedule. And right now it's just gonna be on Zoom. We're working on getting the live streams on YouTube though. Thank you for being patient with me. Why are my candles so long on TradingView? Maybe just like scroll out.
They're
a little
not
bit.
long. What do you mean?
Zoom out, you know? Zoom out a little bit.
Just play with
what
this
up, TK?
Play with this thingy-majiggy
yeah,
over
TK,
here.
I'm gonna hit you up later about that. Yep, for sure.
First time on the stream and I learned something? Oh, nice. What'd you learn? What did you learn?
Facts.
January started strong. Yeah, we're doing well here. We're doing well. 6-2, 1 BE, so doing good. Walmart.
Real good.
When will the new mods be announced? Ooh. Yeah, yo, we're full of surprises here these days, chat. We're full of surprises. So maybe they'll come before the 4 hour. Maybe it'll be after the 4 hour. Maybe it'll be tomorrow morning on the intro. Maybe it'll be on the outro. Just got to wait and find out. Just got to wait and find out.
Like I said, gotta stay on your toes here.
Gotta stay on your toes. Might be you. It might be you. You might win. But if you ain't here, it's going to be tough. Yeah, a lot of news here this week, Joseph. Yeah. Yeah, we talked about the news here earlier when we first started the stream, but we got a sea of red folders. As I was saying, don't let Monday fool you, because big news coming out this week. The two big ones are obviously going to be Wednesday. You've got, ADP here. You've also got FOMC, and then you've got PMI here on Thursday, and then another big one here on Friday. We got NFP here. So lots of news coming out. Lots of news. I think this will get us off to a good start for 2024. This is typically when the big boys and the big dogs start coming back into the markets after they get word from the Fed, and yeah.
Sir, should bring in some good volume this week. I'm excited.
Yeah, and next week, February, like I said, February, March, April, May, June, they're all going to be phenomenal months.
Dog, I'm
Phenomenal
smiling just thinking
months.
about it.
These are always our best months over the last couple years. Yeah, I don't know if I like this thing down here. Let's put it up here. Yeah. Yeah, for those who were in the boot camp too, we covered the whole year. So on the last day of the boot camp, I believe it was, right? Day 3, we literally recapped this every trade we took and really learned what we can do better, how we can be better. It was a phenomenal year, right? But there's always ways to do better, always ways to improve, and yeah, we went over a lot of that on the boot camp. Lots of it on the boot camp. What up, Rapid Max? Cheddar time. Dean's here. It's time to get some cheddar. Amen, Scott. What's good? Good morning,
Amen.
sir.
Yeah, Amanda, that's a W because, right, our strategy is based off of price action. Our skill is that we can read candles. We can speak the language of candles. So that's a big W. Yeah, everything we do is based off of price action here. Price action equals candles.
Do you have any free resources apart from the stream? I have a few videos on YouTube, and I found a really good studio down here in Tampa that I'm gonna be recording a lot of new content. I'm also moving here on the 3rd of February, so I'm gonna be building out a new studio slash office, and probably get some new cameras and stuff like that too, and really start hitting the pavement. So on our website, right, we're gonna have this one area for like elite members, and I'm gonna be putting a lot of like my buddy Luke calls them data sets, but they're really just videos of advice, right? Whether they be around trading, whether they be about mindset, about life in general, just generalized videos that I'm gonna pick all different topics and just give my my thoughts over a 5-minute video, and I'm gonna upload some of those on YouTube as well, but those are mainly gonna be inside the website. But for YouTube, I am gonna be putting out a lot of content when it comes to trading. Yes.
New office about to be sick.
Yeah, I've been meaning to really get going on the content, but just been a little busy outside of trading.
Tell me about it, bro.
Lots and lots going on. Lots of good things going on. So it's a blessing.
Oh, great things.
All right, here we go. We got a bottom wick now. See what happens. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. 15 may give us a support here. Looks like we're going to close bullish.
Look like.
Yeah, there may be an opportunity here to fill this wick here. 8:15, you got 8:20 coming in as well. 1 hour did give us a bottom wick now, so we could be off to the races. So if we do get a bottom wick and we respect the low there, we should be good to move up. Oh, are we getting a bottom wick here? Not yet. I've been successful scalping. I win 7 out of 10 times. You made me really think about price action and patience for big wins. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, it's sick. Patience. I watch the boot camp every weekend. Let's go, Sandman.
That's W.
Big W. Separation right there.
What's up, Sam, man?
No bottom wick here?
No, sir.
New to the streams. How long you guys been trading? Since 2019, late 2018, early 2019, and then really honestly got the ball rolling in 2020. Yeah, 2019 was a lot of learning, a lot of studying. 2020 began to apply, and then 2018, 2019 was like pretty rough. A lot of learning, a lot of studying. Oh wow, yeah, we might break
A lot of failing.
A lot of failing. Lot of failure. So yeah, but yeah, then we started heating up a little bit. So I think we've been trading now. I think I've been trading for like 5 years now.
Sure.
Oh, Sam Capital's in the building. What up, Sam? Oi, oi,
Sammy boy. What up, Sam?
Always in the chat.
Good to see you here, bro.
All right, yeah, we broke that low there. Yeah, we may move down here.
Yeah, 30-minute, bro.
Yeah, 4 hour beginning to flip here too. What if stops? Yeah, let's see how this 30-minute candle closes in just a few minutes. You may have a celery play here too if we can close like weak. We just broke that low there. Oh,
bro, I love how on the 30-minute where we created resistance, you look left, bro, and there's resistance.
Yep.
It's a great example for new people that, you know, current price action is going to repeat past previous or past price action. And that's just a fun exercise I like to do sometimes, is I'll just open up my charts and I'll just like mark them up and find out that like resistances are literally like doing the same thing as past price action. Like if there's a resistance, you look left, there's another resistance. Same thing with support. So it's a cool exercise to do.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, let's wait 10 minutes for the candle to close. And if you do close something like this on the 15, it's actually not that bad, right? So if you do close bullish like this, some sort of weak bullish, what you have is a high, a low, and then like a new high will be formed where price can drive down. So that's what we would take advantage of. Plus, it's really clean on the 30 for price to move down here if we break those lows. So big 15 closure here. You also got comics coming in just a few moments. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam. Good morning, Auntie Up Ace. What up? How you doing? Sam the man. Yeah, facts, AB Mike. Literally, in that, you know, and people will ask, you know, in the trades, like, how do you know where to hold to, you know, and it's just, you look left, you know, you look left to get right. And just like current price action will do the same thing as past price action, right? Or repeat it. There's your answer, right? Look left to get right when you're looking to take partials or take profits, right? Looking left will give you all the information you need. Top one discount code, I believe. Someone in the chat, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe it's TTE24. I have doubt in that gold sell idea. Current daily break, previous day highs. So, yeah, Rolex. Well, we created that second range already, right? And if you look on the daily time frame, right, we were bearish, right? The previous candle is bearish. We just happened to break the daily high, right? But we are still bearish. So I mean, it's when you have days like this where the daily candle looks like that, either or is good, right? Good opportunities. You look onto the 4 hour and you see what you can get from there. But yeah, we did get that range too formed already. And a salary play is it's a high probability setup, right? And it could work.
Oh wow, we broke the lows there. Sheesh.
Yes, sir.
30-minute drove
But
down.
if you're for Rolex, you could always just wait. If you're not comfortable with that trade, you just wait till it closes below 2024 or where you set your plan previous. You don't have to do everything, me or Nick would do. You follow your plan, bro. That's all that matters, is that you show up, you make a plan, you follow it. Because remember, you want to take trades that you're confident in and you're comfortable in, right? You don't want to take a trade that you don't want to take. Nas knocking on the door here on their support.
Whoops. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, we'll see what happens with gold here. 30-minute candle closed in 5 minutes. So glad we didn't just jump all over this sell right here, right? Just waited for that 15 to close. 30 is going to close as well. And we'll see where we're at. Oh, where's Sam Capital?
Oh,
Calling Sam Capital. Where's green? Where the green Batman symbol at? The green symbol in the sky. Yeah, let's see what happens on Nas too. Is there a code for top one? No, you just have to use the link. So make sure you guys use that link there. I think they're taking their discount off of the website pretty soon. I think this week or today or something. So just continue to use that link and then you'll get that discount for life.
Okay, yeah, so I was wrong.
Oh,
whoever I told the discount code to, that was incorrect.
Yeah, the only discount, the only other place we have a discount code is TradeZella. And I think I heard you say something about 2024. That TT 2024 is the discount code for TradeZella.
There you go.
Top one, you just have to use whatever link Nightbot's spitting out. There's green.
What up, green? How's New York?
Heard it was cold up there. Heard it was cold. This guy put Superman emoji. Superman. Wow, filled that wick. I think that was like 18 pips, right? That was tough. We pushed up about 10 pips and then drove down about 10 pips and then did the move there.
Yeah.
So on those occasions, chat, those are times where you can consider taking the flip as your entry, right? When price kind of moved up already and then came down. If you didn't take that trade, don't even worry about it. That's not the easiest position to get into there.
Definitely don't worry about it. Worry brings fear, and fear is crippling.
Don't worry about a thing. It's nice today. Oh, green, it's nice today. What you looking like? How is it nice over there and freezing here? It's like 50 degrees right now.
Bro, right? I walked
Yo, it's
outside
cold.
and I was cold. I had a hoodie on. I'm like, what? I'm in Florida. I got a hoodie on. I'm cold.
Yeah, no, this week's gonna be chilly. Holy. Damn.
What?
Nah, this can't be real. Mid 60s all week.
No way. What? Sheesh.
Mid to high 60s all week. Don't feel bad for us.
We chilling. I'm grateful.
Hey Nick, what do I do if my broker on MT5 chart doesn't look the same as my trading view chart? I typically will go off OANDA, so I'll usually go off my trading view chart. That kind of holds priority because this is where I'm doing all my analyzing right here. So my MT5 is just strictly for entries. Yeah, for the actual trade. Wow, look at this. Broke the lows, moving on up. Holy.
See? Markets will do whatever it wants.
Yep. Finally the same temperature here in Europe. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Hey Nick, I had taken the sell on gold 15 minute. Can you please explain why it wasn't a good trade? It's not that it wasn't a good trade. It's just 30-minute close with like no bottom wick, right? So that could have had a lot to do with it. Also just didn't seem right. You know, I just would have rather seen how this 15 closed to get a little bit of a better direction and take a trade on the 30-minute closure, which is 8:30. So it's really not a bad trade. It's a 15-minute celery, but we are bullish on the day, so I really wouldn't have been that interested there. Unless we actually close like weak bullish on this 15, then maybe would have considered 8:30 volume driving us down, but yeah, just wait. Just sometimes it's just best to wait. Just best to wait. Yeah, we're also very bullish here on the 4 hour.
I was
Very
gonna say that.
bullish on the daily at this point after breaking the highs. 1 hour did throw us for a loop, right? Closed very weak, bullish. So you know the confusion came a little bit on these lower time frames. So whenever there's any confusion, it's just best to wait and let a candle close and then see if it gives you a better direction. Yeah, it was like a 1 hour pack runner. Yep. Yeah, if this candle would have closed a little bit stronger, I would have had more confidence in that pack runner, but nasty closure. Nasty. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So this candle now is going to close with no top wick, unfortunately. So no top wick on this candle, right at resistance. So there's nothing we could do here. Let's take a look at pound yen. GJ closed bearish here on the 30-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours coming back down. 1 hour looking pretty good too, man. Yeah, you got to support right down here. So if we can get below 187.687, that's where I'm going to look to take my sells. Yeah, that's about right. If you take a sell here, there's a support in 6 pips and then another support in 9 pips, right? So if you can just sacrifice those, wait for an official closure below, you've got like a 30 pip clean range down here. So that's where I'd much rather take my sells.
Yeah. You got a. Is that on gold?
That is on pound yen.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah. Yeah, a 1 hour closure below here would be awesome. If we can get this 1 hour candle here to close below, the next candle should drive down. You also get I believe a 4 hour bearish closure as well. Yeah, next candle should have no problem retesting support down there. Yeah, let's take a look at that 4 hour, by the way. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. If you can close below, that'd be great. And then let's take a look at Nas here. Nas just trying to see what it can do here in this zone. So nothing's just ripe just yet. All right, it's a big area
We're
right
knocking.
here. We are knocking. We are knocking though. We got no bite yet.
Like we said, like we used to talk about last year, right? What is the question for the markets right now that we have for them? And is that can we close below this level, right? That's the question. And that's it. Right? That's the question. We wait for it to be answered, and we don't do anything until that question's answered.
I want you to think of yourself as a master negotiator in the markets, and you tell the markets what you want and you ask questions. And if the market gives you the answers that you like, then you will come to a deal at some point. But if the market doesn't give you the answer you like, then you have no deal. So therefore you have no trade. So if I'm negotiating with the market right here on pound yen and I say, hey, I want to see a candle closing below, and then I will give you the privilege of having my money enter into the markets. But if you don't close like that, then there's no deal on the line, right? So that means when the candle closes like this, there's no deal. If I take this deal, I know that most times markets will move up. It'll go like this, trade back in the range, and then I get stopped out. And you know what that means? I've been hustled. I've been schmooched. You guys ever get played? You guys ever get hustled at the car dealership? Like you drive away from the lot, you're like, why do we even buy this car? Because you got hustled. You got schmooched over, right? So you don't want to get played here. That's why it's deal or no deal.
Yep.
Deal or no deal.
And we remember, the markets are always right. They're never wrong. It's us, the traders, who are sometimes right, sometimes wrong. So we have the greater responsibility of being patient, of being disciplined, on waiting for the markets to actually answer our question. Everything we do, right, is based off of price action. The skill is that we can read candles, right? So let's speak to these candles. Let's actually listen to them. Let's not just hear it, but listen, right? There's a big difference between hearing and listening, and we need to start listening more.
What up, Rafi? Rafi's in the house, exploring new villas. Yeah, let's go. Time to level up, Rafi.
Rafi. What up, bro? That's so true. You're hearing it, but are you listening? Big difference. Shout out anyone who read Forex Mindset. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. I'm doing fantastic, my man. I'm doing fantastic. Can't wait to prep for the boot camp. We're going to be doing some boot camp prep this week, next week, and excited to see what Rafi's got. Excited to see what Sam has got. Yeah, we're putting it together,
boys are gonna
baby.
drop some heat.
Time to drop the heat. Hey, I was watching a little bit of the stream, and I see my boy Nico the other day. I forgot to whistle for him, though. I don't know if he's here today. You remember Nico? He'd be like, yo, bro, enough with the whistling, man. But
Nico,
I'm like,
good
looks, Nico.
About.
Yeah, he was here the other day. He was like, yo, can I get a whistle? Blow your whistle.
Now, we're actually pretty good at whistling. No cap.
Scott, congrats on the new baby on the way. Oh, I was about to be like, what? You guys had the baby?
Oh, yeah, Scott. Let's get it.
Scotty boy. The man, the myth.
Yeah, Scott, congrats.
The legend.
Oh, yes, sir.
Flow rattle whistle. Everyone's having babies out here. All of a sudden, y'all came to the TT live stream. You guys got married. You guys are having babies, man. Y'all doing God's work at this point now. Let's go. Damn. TTE be breeding. We the breeding grounds, man.
Oh yeah. I was gonna say, master plan for you. Another baby on the way. You already know the plan is big for you, brother. Very big.
Where'd you find the video of Sam filling out the chair? Yo, I had that saved in my phone, man. You got who? You guys see my IG stories or what? Last night? Yesterday, I mean? They might be down already.
Bro.
I'm afraid of speaking to girls because I'm a trader nerd. Hey, then you have to go watch my boy.
Nah, definitely don't.
You guys have to go watch this dude. He's the funniest guy I ever seen in my entire life. Probably not the funniest, but he is hilarious. What's his name? What's his name? Do I still have him up here?
Bro, maybe just try avoiding trading talks, girl.
Nah, I ain't got him up here no more. I'll find his name. Yeah, you guys see my stories last night or yesterday? The man, the myth, the legend, Sam. Those are some of my favorite videos.
You have a 100K live account.
That's it, gang. Oh, baby.
Nah, this is the greatest video of all time. Right here. Yo, my man's bare feet came up in the camera.
Bro. Bro, when that happened, I was dying laughing at Sam. I was in school, bro.
Later, boys. There we go.
Oh, man.
Oh, let's go. Smacked. Go. Smacked. Done.
Done. Oh, man. Oh, man, Goldie. What are you doing to us? What are you doing to us? 8 a.m. blast off here. Yeah, 1 hour pack runner here. Sheesh.
It's Monday. Typical Monday. Yo, put a W in the chat if you're ready for more trades like that we caught with Time to Eat and Sam. Let's go.
This man fell out the chair, yo.
That was the funniest.
Oh, unmute me on Zoom. Oh, you're on Zoom. All right, let's get him up here. Let's get him. Free Sam Capital.
Yo, yo, yo.
What's good, Sammy boy?
What's going on, brother?
Sammy boy.
What's going
Happy
on,
Monday,
What's going on, John?
What up, Sam?
Happy Monday!
Let's go.
Fired up.
Fired up. Yeah, bro, I'm just sitting there laughing, bro. Yeah, chat. If you guys remember that from like May, bro. So funny, bro. That was the pre-White House vibes.
That's true. That's true. That was pre-White House.
Before he got elected.
Before he got elected, yep. He won the House.
Where the people swarm me in.
Sam in the Oval now.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, now we have a good chair. See?
I was trying to find that one of Uncle Scalp, dude. Man down, we got a bleeder.
I have to look. I have a bunch saved too, bro. Yo, but we have so many clips from last year, it's not even funny, bro.
Great memories.
Man's feet were up in the sky. Yo, man's feet were in the sky.
Bro, I tried to catch myself too. I remember I was just like, oh, dude, my headset, I remember it did like a triple backflip.
Bro.
And I reached back, I'm like, yo.
That's that May volume right there. I'm telling you, it'll knock you right out your chair.
No, seriously.
Sir.
That was a blade. What up, Pete the G? How am I? I'm doing great, brother. How are you, Pete the G? Pete the G, you're probably, if I had to imagine,
he's a G. Pete's a top G.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a G.
What's my IG? My IG is this guy right here.
Pete the G.
This is my IG.
Man down.
We got a bleeder.
Nah, bro. That is the definition of a bleeder, though. That trade.
Yeah, that thing freaking knocked me out of my seat, bro.
Facts.
G the Pete. There you go.
Whoa.
Oh man.
Nah, but
Target about.
You guys never seen the clip of me putting the fists into the monitor? Who remembers that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that one. Dude, almost yeah, it's a big 1 hour close here, by the way, on pound yen. Big close.
Yeah, did you
Sam
guys
broke
get
the
any,
monitor.
Yeah, bro. Cause it was not over the trading though. It was not in a trade. Trading. I think that. I forget what I was doing, bro. But I was just like messing around. Boom, 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 pretending to hit my camera, and then I accidentally, bink, hit the screen.
Knocked it out.
Blew out the LCDs. I was like, "You're playing with me, bro," and it was already destroyed. So then I just destroyed it.
Sheesh.
Too funny.
It was a tax write-off. Tax write-off. It was.
They don't call
Nah,
him Sam
facts, though.
Capital for no
There you
reason.
Any opportunity we can, bro, to write them taxes off. You already know.
Absolutely. Come take my money from me, bro. Trolling.
Uncle Sam coming.
Uncle Sam.
trying to tax Sam Capital.
Yeah, word.
Uncle Sam trying to text Uncle Sam. Don't work like that.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
What up, Elaine? Yeah, yo no entiendo.
Oh, let's go. I love when Sam speaks Spanish, eh? What up,
I feel
C4?
like that's sarcasm, bro.
Gold running. Beautiful 4 hour move here. 4 hour coming into resistance here. Got 16 minutes left on the candle. We will see what happens. No top wicks on these candles.
This
no bottom
was-
wicks. Nothing.
This was
Nothing.
expected with the 4 hour and the daily.
Yeah.
Daily breaking highs.
Yep.
Yo, I should have held my buys, bro, from Asian.
From last night.
Yeah.
You can do it.
I honestly think I probably would have got spreaded out.
Where was that? Over here?
Right there, yeah.
Yeah, right.
When that bearish candle came and like wicked back into
Oh,
the,
yeah, right here.
I probably would have got spreaded out, yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
well.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nah, yeah, exactly. That's why I just closed full. Take my
Closed.
money and leave.
Got your 10 and dipped.
Asian session, yeah.
Word.
If I can get 10 pips in Asian session, that's good. I seen the pack earner on the 30-minute,
Oh, yeah.
and I was
Nah,
like,
Like
look,
that.
signification of volume.
mm-hmm.
Opt in. It actually almost hit my stop loss. And then,
Oh, yeah?
yeah, it came right back up. I bet if you go to the 5-minute, you'll see it.
That was
Asian, bro. I haven't traded Asian in so long.
Where would that even be? Oh, yeah, yes.
Wait, where was the trade at? I just had
To the left a little. It's like right below your zone.
right here, right?
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
there. Do. Let's see. Wait, where at? Right here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I just remember I seen the so I like stepped away for a second because I was like, this is gonna take forever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I got in. Yeah, I had my stops below that. Probably like those wicks or somewhere in there.
Nice, bro.
Damn. Then it blasted off.
Yeah, I came back and then it, like I had a TP set and it hit it. And I was like, oh, cool.
Yeah.
W.
Wow. Gold juice box right here.
Right. Yeah, it's totally fine, right? We've seen this before. It's
Oh, yeah.
happened. Like charts are just gonna drive sometimes, right? You look on the lower time frames, there is no entries for us, and that's okay. You gotta be okay with that, happening. You gotta be okay with the charts just driving.
Yep.
Without an entry.
Yep. As a professional, you got to be cool, right? Like we had our setup, closure above, but no top wick, right? So we had our setup, we just didn't have our entry criteria. And like I said, as a professional, you just got to be cool with that.
Mm-hmm. And if you got a playbook of setups, right, you shouldn't have any FOMO, right? Because you know what you're looking for, right? So there's no fear of missing out, right? If what you were looking for would have happened, you would have been in it. And if not, then it's okay.
Yeah, don't force anything. You don't gotta force no crappy trades.
Yeah, 4 hours going to close up shop here too. We're in the rejection zone too, so I wouldn't take a buy here at all.
I don't know.
Yeah, nah.
Do y'all have signals outside of the live stream? We do, but the signals channel's closed for now. Yeah, we closed it down probably to like mid-year, then we'll open it back up.
Yep. When you try to force yourself to make money, it's gonna just run away from you. And you're just gonna be chasing it, right? And it's just gonna keep running, right? So you gotta just be patient, and that's it, right? Like a spider, he builds his web and he chills out. He just chills. That's all we're doing.
Yeah. Why does no top wick mean no buy? Because when a candle closes with a top wick, right? So you see a bullish candle close with this wick, right? And what this wick represents here is it represents a range, and that range is what you hear. You ever hear the term wick fill? So this is the range for the next candle to drive in, right? So after creating a bottom wick, you would expect the next candle to fill the wick or fill the range here, right? So when there's no range on the candle, right, when it closes with very little to no top wick at all, what that represents is there's no range now, right? So now we can't draw that yellow box here, right? If we did, it would just be like right here. So there's no range. So a lot of times what will happen, most times, is you will get the next candle to move up very quickly at the open, but then it will come back down and close like this, right? And then now if you're back in the range now you play back in this range and you got to continue to wait. So anytime a candle closes with no top wick, or a bullish candle, I typically will not take a buy at that point. Yeah, I'll just wait for the next candle, because you never know, the next candle may close bearish, but then the next one may close bullish. And we've done this many times, right? And now you've got a new support, a breakout, and an A+ position to take a buy. So anytime there's no top wick, I just let it go and wait for the next candle to close. Same goes for bearish.
That was beautiful.
Right? No bottom wick. Right? This bottom wick here represents a range for the next candle to fill. So if there is no bottom wick, right, and it looks like that, a lot of times what you're going to notice, more times than not, you're going to notice a push down right away, an aggressive push, and then a closure back above, and so on and so forth. But sometimes you're going to close a no bottom wick, and price is just going to drive, right? And you have to be cool with that, because you have to go with the edge, right? And if the edge isn't there, then it's not your trade to take. So that's it. You know, we don't really have much of an edge here. At this point, if you take a sell here, the trade now becomes what I like to call a 50-50, right? You got basically 80-20 plus, really, when there is a wick. And then when there's not a wick, it's basically 50-50. And at the end of the day, like I always say, 50-50 is gambling, right? So I don't want to gamble here. There's a very thin line from being a professional to being a gambler. And sometimes this is all it takes, right? These wicks and following the system, following the plan.
Yeah. If you wanted to gamble, you should have just went to Vegas, right? Why gamble here? You should have just betted on the black, right? You know, so come in, right? A lot of you guys work hard for this money that you're putting into the charts too, right? And it's not meant to just be gambled on. You work hard for it, right? Come in with a strategy and display it.
Yeah, and it's not like we just like don't like the no top wick candle. It's that we've tried it, you know. We've taken trades where, you know, you get a nice, beautiful 30-minute closure above, boom, just what you're looking for, but no top wick, and then it just doesn't end up playing out. So, you know, after a certain amount of times you try that, you just learn that it's not even worth it.
Yeah.
So it's just like, you know, it's almost the same thing as if the candle would have closed below.
Yep.
And then it could have been like a wick or something. But yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And look, some people may have a strategy to buy all. I don't know. You know, you can only trade your own data, right? At the end of the day, you can only be confident in your own data at the end of the day. So you have to trade your own data. I had this dude in my DM on Instagram. This dude typed up like 9 paragraphs before I even read it, talking about whatever, you know. And I'm just like, telling me to change my strategy, to listen to this guy, to listen to that guy. I'm like, dude, listen, I don't listen to dipshit92 on YouTube on when to change my strategy. I just trade my data. and I stay composed. If I have a couple red days, I stay composed, right? I stay composed and I stick to what I know works. I don't stream hop or system hop or change things up because someone else changed them. No, I literally go off my data, and that's it. That's it. And every other professional trader will tell you the same exact thing.
Yeah, and that's how you build confidence. You know, confidence to, for example, with Nick, like be able to sit up here and call these trades for thousands of people. You know, let alone that, but even just putting the money on the line with every trade you execute. You know, if you aren't.
Yep.
If you're just copying someone else and, you know, following what they're doing, whenever the time comes up to it for you to step up to the plate, you know, you're going to be, all right, I haven't been here by myself as many times before, but
yep.
Once you do and you practice it, then yeah.
Nah, for real. Bro, the strategy is everything. If you're having trouble with breaking the strategy rules, right, you need to set up a program, a self-talk program that states that you following your strategy is what's going to make you profitable, right? Because that's what's going to separate the successful traders and the unsuccessful traders, right? Is their ability to follow their technical system with mental toughness, right? So if you can remind yourself day in, day out before you come to the charts that that's what's going to make you profitable, I think you will take more consideration, right, with it to the charts.
I agree.
Yeah, I agree too.
And then like Sam was talking about, like some of you guys don't even trust yourself. You say you're going to do something, you do it. You don't do it, right? You say you're going to follow your plan, but you break your plan the other day, right? So you need to build this trust with yourself that Sam was talking about. And that's going to take you following your technical system with mental toughness, right? Day in, day out. That's what we're here to do today. Not to make money. We're here to develop the skills of a professional trader, right? And that's it. Yep. That's what I'm focused on. I'm focused on following my system today and building patience and building discipline. And that's what everyone else should be focused on.
Exactly. Yeah, like look at a few examples right here. Like these are candles that closed with no top wick, right? And then you see the aggressive move up right away and a drop. Very little to no top wick. Where else? Where else? Where else? Let's see. Let's see. See how this candle closed, very little no top wick, and then this candle closed with no top wick, shoot up right away, and then a drive down, right? Most people stops, we're looking at this guy right here, most people stops are sitting right here, wiped out. So it's all about what you're focused on too, you know, like if you're focused on, damn, every candle closes with no top wick when we're looking for an entry, then that's most likely what you'll see, right? But if you just stay locked in on, hey, I just need a wick. Same routine, right? I just need a wick and I'm in. So if you don't get it, you just let it go. Sometimes it's going to drive. Let's find one that had no top wick and drove. Let's say right here, right? Very little to no top wick. Price moved up. It's going to happen.
Even to the right of that a little bit. They went flying.
Yeah. Same thing here. No top wick, drive down, right? So of course it's going to happen here and there, right? Because remember, trading's probability. But when you go by the data, what you're really going by is what happens more often. Does it usually drive? So if there's no top wick, does it drive more often, or does it typically give us those rejections? And from what I've seen and the data that I've collected, more often than not, if there's no top wick, price will not move up. Yeah.
Exactly. And it will make it 50-50, right? And at the end of the day, 50-50 is gambling. We don't want 50-50. We want 80-20, right? We want the A+ setup. We want the probabilities in our favor, right? That's what makes our edge an edge, right? Is because the probabilities will be in our favor.
Yep.
If you got the probabilities in your favor, then that's good to go, right?
Yep. When do you settle for there just being no entry in your edge, and when do you do some more homework? Oh yeah, so you could do more homework, let's say on lower time frames, right? So if you're really looking for positions off the 30 then what you can do is see if there's anything to capitalize. So let's take a look at this, right? So how could we have potentially taken advantage here without a top wick and a bottom wick, right? Well, let's go down to the 15. Do I see anything? Nope. Same thing still. No top wick, no bottom wick. Let's go to the 5 minute. No top wick, no top wick, no top. Maybe on this candle we could have took a trade. Maybe. Just maybe if we were desperate. But if we waited for this candle, no bottom wick, right? So no entries there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 minute. Right? Let's go ahead and highlight this zone here. Somewhere, where was it? I think it was right here. All right, let's see if you can find anything on the 1 minute time frame. So boom, hey, there's a support. Right, there's your support formed. Top wick, bottom wick, moved up. So maybe, just maybe, if you can't find it on the 30 minute, you can go down to a 1 minute or a 2 minute. And I'm not even kidding. You know, I know we joke about the bottom, the lower time frames, right? But I do know traders who take a look at the 30 minute, 1 hour and look to execute on the 2 minute, 1 minute. So in this situation, that's the only way we can do it. So what do we see here? We see this pattern, right? Can we potentially look for this pattern every time that we get a candle on the 30 minute that gives us no top wick, right? No top wick, but just runs. Can we look for this? Can we spot that? Can we sample size this on the 1 minute? And then now on the 1 minute, every time you see this is how you could potentially participate. So it's just really doing homework, really diving deep, really kind of seeking it out, searching for it. But that's about it.
Yeah.
You never know. We might have 2 minute entries pretty soon.
Yeah.
Keep in mind too, like if trading, you can't expect like a perfect day all the time, a perfect trading day all the time. Trading was that easy, everyone would be successful in trading, but it's not, right? So just keep that in mind. Like, remember, like the traders, trading is not easy. It's hard, but it's simple, right? But why is it hard to be simple, right? Because traders make it difficult to be simple, right? Just make it simple for yourself.
I think school teaches you to overanalyze everything. And then,
Yeah.
So
I mean, I'm not blaming school or nothing, but like, yeah, I think that sometimes, the paralysis analysis, and sometimes you overthink things, and you're like, all right, well, maybe this.
Yep.
Yeah. There's a question in here I wanted to answer. Where is it? I think Scott wrote it.
Dipshit 92. It's like googly eyes.
That was a good one, bro. I'm gonna make that my burner name.
Dipshit
With no profile pictures or any content or pictures at all. Hey man, you should change your strategy.
Burner account.
Bro,
yeah.
If he sent you 5 long paragraphs, you know for a fact, like, he was wasting his whole day on that. Like,
it's like, damn.
Sad.
Holy. Man, got a lot of time. Man must be free. Can you sell gold at a resistance to the left? Yes, if we get a candle to close bearish. Back below, then we could sell down. We could settle down for a sell down. But 4 hour did close. It did close above the range here too. So 4 hour close above this range here. So this could be a 4 hour fake out, or we have clean traffic to move up now on the 4 hour chart here. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes. We're gonna see what's good, and then we're gonna go about positions here. How do you master the charts? I don't think you could ever master them, but especially like me, I haven't mastered them at all. But I can only give credit to me showing up to the NY session every day for the last almost 4 years and just watching candles. That's pretty much what's helped me.
Me too.
Yeah, bro, same.
Showing up every single day.
Yeah.
And just building that confidence like we were talking about earlier. And that's like a rule for life, really. You know, like if you go to the gym every single day, then, you know, it's easier to go than, like, for example, like I don't like to take, well, I don't say this like I'm a freaking workaholic or like anything, like I work myself till I die, but I don't like to take as many days off from the gym because think about it. The day that you take off, the next day when you're supposed to go is now harder, right?
Yeah.
Because you skip that one day. So, that's why it's like we preach discipline and, sticking to your plan, or whether it's your life, charts, whatever, because then you just build that confidence. You now know if you say you're going to do something, then you are going to do it, right? And that's like one of the most powerful things when it comes to just executing.
Hell yeah. Execution,
It builds
man.
trust. It
Yeah,
builds trust.
How many of you guys be
yourself.
thinking about doing the best things but never do them? Right? You know you're a powerful being when your thoughts line up with your words line up with your actions. Now you know you're gaining some headway. But a lot of times we think about, man, this could be awesome, but we're stuck. We don't move. We're like, I don't know what's wrong with my body. It won't move, right? It's like, why can't I move? Right? Because you need to align what you're thinking about with what you're saying, with what you're doing. And then that's how you gain confidence in the area that you're working on.
Yeah.
Why is everyone laughing? I don't know. Why is everyone laughing? You guys think I'm kidding
No,
about
that's
this 1 minute
facts, bro.
chart?
It's so facts, bro.
Trading the 1 minute is very common for a lot of professional traders. Yeah, I have a lot of friends that trade the 1 minute.
Yeah. I don't
A minute.
So chat.
The only
Go ahead, Sam.
I was just gonna say the only thing with the 1 minute, and I think why people advise to stay away from it, is because it's so easy to start over trading if you're newer to the charts, right? Because like Nick was just showing you, you could get a 1 minute support like every other candle, even if the day is like bearish, completely bleeding.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then yeah. But now,
So true, bro.
if you can follow candles, read the price action, and get used to seeing certain patterns, like in each pair is gonna have its own little niche way it wants to move too. Maybe you can recognize those patterns on the lower time frame. But
Yeah, that's the big thing. It's really just sample sizing and looking for a common pattern. So like sometimes when like let's say the 1 hour closes like this, right? And it makes a top wick, if there's a pattern that plays out every single time on the 1 minute right around here, right, that you can wait for, then you never know. You may find something that looks good in order, and that way you can begin to get into this trade anticipating the candle to move down. You can enter somewhere, right, in this, off of this pattern that you find out. But you have to seek this. You have to study this for weeks, if not months. You can't just see it
Over
one or
a
two
series of
times
trades.
and just kind of be like, okay, we got it. Right? You gotta sample size it.
Yeah, and that takes time.
That takes time. What does it take? It takes time. What are most people not willing to do? Wait. They're just not willing to wait. Just not willing to wait.
Like I said, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Just find a strategy and lock it the F in.
Yep.
Let's go.
let's go.
Lost my shirt on the 1 minute. Lost my hat on the 1 minute, man.
1 minute.
Yeah,
1 minute
you
all
lost
day,
your
bro.
soul on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's all about finding a system. Is there a system on the 1 minute? If there's a system that you can go off of, then you could potentially, sniff something out of the dirt there and be able to apply it in the markets. That's what sample sizing is, whether it's on the 30 minute, the 1 minute, the 10 minute, the 2 minute, the 4 second. It's all about collecting data on that time frame and trying to see if it's printing the same pattern every time, and if it does, how many times does that work out?
Sir. Don't blow your money, just do the system.
Yeah. Down 4 bands. That's all right. You'd be good. You'd be good, Dean.
Bro, one trade and you're back up 4 bands.
1 minute will chew you up. Got stopped out at 2036, 2036 up here. Yeah, where did you take the sell, Dean? If you want to put a screenshot your trade in the charts for stream, I see if I could help you out in any way. Yeah, if you guys have charts that you want us to review, we have charts for stream channel in the Discord. So you can place your chart in here, and then we'll see if we could pull it up on stream and break it down. Thanks a lot, Scott. Scott's very detailed, very good at covering the details of things like this. So thanks, man. I read this out. It all looked really good to me.
That's great.
Detail master.
The detailed master. Yep. Let's go ahead and see what's good here. So yeah, so Nasdaq trying to break below. We did close very doji bearish here on the 4-hour. So I think my bias still remains, right? I'll take sells below this level here. If not, I'm going to look for fake outs for price to move back up here. So if we get a support formed, then it looks pretty good for 930 to run back up. Yeah, give me 1 sec. Be right back.
Time to do some push-ups.
I might do some more.
Yeah, facts with them push-ups. Chat. If you need to go to the bathroom, need to do some push-ups, go do them.
Bro, like every once in a while, I like to do shoulders with like chest. That's what I did today. I don't know why, bro.
Alright.
Ribs apart.
Word, bro. I love hitting shoulders, bro.
Yeah, like,
honestly,
I need to do it more.
yeah.
Honestly,
I don't know.
because of my build.
Facts, bro. Same here. Like, shoulders, if you got good shoulders, you're gonna look real good, you know?
Hell yeah.
I don't know if I like hitting shoulders more or buys, because I love hitting buys too. That pump in the buys just makes me feel mad good.
That is true. Lately, I've been liking biceps a lot. Triceps has always kind of been my favorite, but biceps
Word.
lately, I don't know why, but it's like when I go like this, I'm like, God. Oh my goodness.
Facts, bro.
But I always just like tricep because it's like when you're not flexing your arm, that's like 80% of what's like the size.
Nah, that's mad true. That's hella true, actually. Yeah, tries are fun. I like tries.
Wide back gives the illusion of smaller waist. Oh, back is crazy too, Scott.
Here's
Yeah,
Scott.
I swear,
Back
like I
buys.
think some days I just want to go in and do like 8 sets of just straight lat pull downs.
What up, Latty?
Pull-ups. I
Travis
like
today?
pull-ups, but
Oh,
add
right.
weights. Weighted pull-ups. Weighted
Yeah.
pull-ups will get you right.
Oh, yo. I've never actually done this, to be honest with you. Maybe one time, but I should.
They're great. And if you don't got a gym, if you don't go to the gym, push-ups, pull-ups, walking core, that's enough to get you right. When there's a will, there's a way. For all things.
Yeah, John Lambo, that's why I like him tries.
Yo, where's Jimmy Lambo?
Tries.
Bro.
Jimmy Lambo, we got
Where's
Jimmy
where's
Lambo.
Jimmy Lambo at?
That's true. Jimmy
Jimmy
Lambo, where
Lambo.
you at? Try
Yo,
trap exercise? Yes, a Neo. Trap exercise. Like this.
Traps. Roar.
You just...
Yo, facts, TK. What up, TK? Yo, where is Landon? Landon here?
Landon. No, Landon's got to be here.
I'm Landon, my brother. Yeah, Landon was hitting them pull-ups.
Landon's doing
TK.
pull-ups right now.
Hitting them pull-ups on the tree. At like a bar.
Yeah, Varinder, I want to get a flat bench because I already got some dumbbells in that here, bro. I think I might do that this week. Just to get in a little extra work.
Bro, I need to invest in a stand-up desk. TK, I seen you had that. Looking good.
Yo, TK, you have a stand-up desk? Do you have one of the ones that like they make them with like a slider, so like you can change it to wherever
Yeah.
if you want to stand up or sit down. That's what I need, bro.
Landon's
two.
cutting up. Landon's cutting up a cow right now.
Chefing up a burger.
The Don is in the house. Holy, check charts for stream. Let's take a look.
He goes, I'm in the house. Holy.
I love this guy. Hey, yo, Don's in the house. What's good?
What up, Don? The Don?
The Dom.
Don't
Oh,
do
you
a
got
little bit of
buys.
trolling.
Buys on the break of the highs here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Gonna wait for this candle to close up here. This 15-minute candle. See where we're at that point. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Stand-up desk are a must. Yep.
Yeah, I'm getting a stand-up desk for the new spot.
And
Sandman.
Need to
Sandman,
stand up.
You need to stand up, John. Stand up, John, too.
Stand up. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those small little treadmill things too, so I can get some steps in.
Yo,
Be
Bro,
walking,
imagine
talking.
walking the whole time.
Imagine
the
walking
session
the whole
going.
stream. Hey, yo.
this dude.
There's your
You be
there's
on
your
IG
10K
like, don't let
steps.
me at work, UG. I'm like, now I don't even gonna have a damn choice. I just have to let you.
word, bro.
That's awesome.
Nah, dude, it's actually big facts, bro. Get your 10K steps in late or doing that.
Light work. What do you say, Green?
Bro, you get 10K steps in a day, bro, you're gonna be burning fat like a fat burning machine, bro. Straight up.
Bro. I've been like kind of fasting like how you guys talk about it too. Cause like I won't lie, like I'll hop off here, I'll get some stuff to eat sometimes. Like
Mm-hmm.
get a little something to eat. If I have lunch around like 2 o'clock. But like I think like last week I was just drinking coffee. And you can well before you start drinking it, like obviously you're hungry, this and that, blah blah. You start drinking it, kills the appetite. You feel like you're shredding all that body fat. And then,
Shred.
yeah, and then you eat a nice, beautiful dinner or something later.
Hell yeah, bro. I
Dinner or
love saying
something.
I love being hungry throughout my day, and I love keeping that clear mind.
Stay hungry.
Stay hungry, young blood.
Stay hungry. Oh, nice. GJ looking decent. That 1 hour though, that 1 hour close way up top. We did form that resistance though, so I want to see how we close here in just a few minutes. 15, you got a new support right here, but 30 looks pretty clear if we can get a closure below. Yeah, 1 hour though, we want to be careful because the 1 hour was basically breaking through, right? And then ended up pulling all the way back here and closed way up top here. So we want to be careful in this overall support zone right here and make sure that we actually do get a closure before we go ahead and take sells. Are you guys carnivore? Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah, me too. I don't eat no vegetables, bro.
Sorry, bro.
I don't like them. I never did.
I'm a little more
I like some of 'em.
carnivore-ish.
Yeah, carnivore-ish, because I still eat pizza and stuff like that here and there.
Yeah, I like some
I have yeah.
vegetables too. Like some of them are okay. Like a nice crunchy green pepper is good.
Holy.
Just eat it raw. Cut the seeds out the middle.
Yeah. Like I'll have rice too, like
Yeah.
I like a pound of meat and like a cup or so of rice, and I'm chilling. One meal.
You gotta spit the seeds? Nah, I'm trying to grow into one. I don't know what other vegetables like. I might have like a carrot if it's in soup or something.
Word.
I need a stand-up desk to avoid the risk of falling. Yo, Foster Logan, good idea.
Yo, TK, the slice you got, bro, was a carnivore pizza. Carnivore pizza, honestly,
Carnivore
right?
pizza.
Meat lover.
Got that meat lovers.
John makes a mountain of rice. Is that true?
Sometimes.
Nah, I feel that though. Sometimes,
Sometimes-
rice just hits different, bro. When you got like a
Uncooked
nice
rice.
sauce on it too.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll
You say
I'll make
uncooked
extra
rice?
John made me rice and one time. I was like, yo, dude, did you cook it?
Nah.
I almost broke my tooth,
Bro, it's
man.
gotten better. It's gotten
Oh,
better
okay,
through
okay,
scientific
good.
method.
All right,
through
good.
testing. Into a hypothesis.
Scientific method.
Damn near broke my
Conclusion.
tooth.
You have to write a whole essay for it too, bro.
Almost had to spend 1,000
lab
at the
report.
dentist.
I got the rice, bro, down to a T, bro. I know exactly how to cook it. You go to your nearest Chinese spot, bro, I make it the same way.
All right. You hitting that
dude's
rice
cooking
like
jawbreakers.
gum hoy, eh? Jawbreaker.
he's
Yeah, bro,
cooking
gum hoy
jawbreakers.
rice.
Got that jawbreaker ice, bro. Oh,
I like my
really?
rice fluffy and with taste. So I add some salt to it.
All right. No doubt. Oh, wow, Nas. We did close below here.
Did we?
15, yeah, 15 doesn't look too bad here. I'm gonna wait on 9:30. So we may get a 15 close below, right? If we get this 15 to close below here, you have beautiful straight shot down. We'll go break even around this support, and then let it run. Yeah, if we can't get it between here and here, then we just wait for the closure below support, and then we take our sells coming down.
Yeah, then we catch the next bus.
Yeah, we
The next
almost
wave.
got that support right here. Almost got it, but price broke the highs and then just coming down now. Yeah, you got a nice little 15-minute pack runner here.
Rice cooker, easy peasy. Yeah, I have one of those. Yeah, you gotta get one of those, John.
Nah, that's what I use, a rice cooker.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think it's called Aroma or something.
I don't even know what mine is.
Facts.
It's just like some
It
default.
does the Word.
Fluffy with a side of crunch. That's like that, what's
Yeah.
it called?
What?
The crunchy rice? Cocon, something like that?
I have no idea.
Couscous.
Cauliflower
Couscous?
rice?
And then couscous?
Nah, it's a Dominican thing or a Spanish thing. Con, I don't know, something like that.
Someone in the chat knows.
Yeah, I think what I'm talking about is like
One of my Dominican friends
like
know.
Arabic. Couscous is pasta? Quinoa?
It's like the rice at the bottom of the pot. It's hard.
Oh,
It's a little burnt. Con.
yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna try.
There you go. Yeah, you see.
Is that what it is for real? I'm not
Yeah.
looking. Con.
Joe, rice is good carbs. I mean, yeah. Honestly, you gotta eat organic foods, right? We gotta eat organic rice. Like, trust me, there's a difference between regular rice and organic rice. A huge difference in just the ingredients, what they spray on it. There's no difference in the taste, but try to stay organic, you know?
Don't panic. It's organic. Don't panic. Con. See? Told you.
And there's a bunch of ingredients. That's how you know it's not organic.
Yeah, I personally don't like the burnt rice, but a lot of my Dominican friends do. I'm like, yo, give me the rice on the top, G. Nice and soft. I'm not trying to break my tooth here today.
Molly, whatever. Joe. Yeah, Joe, I honestly wouldn't know. I don't know how they cook it.
Yeah, FOMC on Wednesday. That's right. Yep. Yeah, markets will liven up after that. Yup. After Wednesday, we've been talking about Wednesday now for about 3 weeks. So, yeah, after Wednesday, we should get some new volume coming in. So gold's gonna close up here in 9 minutes. This 30-minute candle. Then we have 9:30 ahead of us here. So if we close above, then you should have a 30-minute celery play. If we close below, it looks like price will give us a 30-minute onion play for price to continue down here on this 9:30 candle. Most likely to drive back into this range here, see what it wants to do there. So that's probably where we will look to make some management happen, whether it's break even or partials, and let it run from there. So we'll see what happens on this closure. Big closure coming up here. Raw meat. I got my tooth removed. Con hit different. Oh yeah, my wife likes it. She's like, yeah, I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'm like, I bet.
How do you even get it off? Like, how do you even, that thing's like stuck to the bottom.
You gotta scrape it, bro. You gotta put in the work to get that. That's
so.
probably why it's so good. You gotta work for it.
Facts.
Yeah, big closure here, man. Big closure. I'm not as confident in the 15 as I'd like to be. I'm much more confident in this 30. So, because if this 30 closes back above the range, then we're most likely going to beeline towards 41 here at 9:30. But if we can close below, you should see a drive back down. We've got no bottom wick here. So you should expect a wick down into the zone here by 2029 and then see where it wants to go from there. Yeah, we got a lot of Dominicans in the house.
Got out the DR.
Do I use ICT? I do not use ICT or SMC. I just use price action, candlesticks, zones. That's pretty much it. Just keep it as simple as possible. Yeah, we got 7 minutes here. Let's see how Nas is reacting to that support down there. Yeah, you see how we're looking for potential fake outs here, right? For price to move up. So that may be what we're getting now. So that's why I didn't want to budge on these sells. Same thing with gold being everything so bullish. So if we get this support right here, you got to fake out back into the range. You should have no problem retesting this area up here on the next candle moving up. Sam fell. Sam's on the floor back there.
Alareza, thank you. Appreciate you.
Yeah. Are you going to take a buy? Yes. If this candle closes bullish, we're gonna have buys here on, or I'm gonna have buys here on Nasdaq. Yeah. And gold, we still gotta wait. With this a big 30-minute close here. Big closure. 15's ripping though, looking good. So if we can pull back a little bit, that'd be great.
What was this the last week of January? Or am I wrong?
Yeah, we got January ends on, I think February begins on Thursday.
Oh,
pretty sure. Wow, nice drive here on the 15. 9:15, man.
Damn.
Oh, my bad. Unmute. Sam's like, dum 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 dum. Tapping on the Zoom window.
My bad. Someone called me in and I never muted my Zoom, but I did that time. And then I stood up and walked away to answer the phone.
Mute it. Mute it. He's a mutant.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Nah,
kidding.
bro, you're far from an idiot.
Wow.
I'm playing.
15 driving.
I know I'm not an idiot.
Sheesh.
Yeah. We do a little trolling.
We like to troll.
Yeah, I'd just be doing a little bit of yapping.
Yeah.
Basically.
Bro, gold needs to come down after that push up.
Yeah.
What is GJ, bro?
GJ.
Wasn't that thing coming down whenever you were just looking at it? Now it's going up and down.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This area right here is no bueno. This thing is no bueno. Second attempt here. You really need a close below for price to move down. Yeah, 1 hour not looking too hot.
Take it easy, Dean. Dean Broche.
All right,
like
Dean. See you tomorrow, brother.
Peace,
Keep your head held high, my friend. Losing is part of trading.
Sir, part of the game, bro.
Yeah, get off the charts, man. Just hang out. Just understand every professional loses trades.
Yeah. Your system just didn't work today.
Yeah, simple.
That's all. Pay to play, yes sir.
Boom. Cost of doing business. Later, bro.
Charge
Go,
to the
bro.
game, baby. Charge it to the game.
Yep. Either way, right? A man could go broke and get rich all over again. He could be rich, go broke, and get rich all over again. So,
Let's go, Nas. 3 minutes.
hey,
Got him.
Mike, what'd you make?
AB Chef in the house. Dude, chefing.
Chef, baby, Mike. Boy cooking. Let him
Yeah,
That
the
boy
chef.
cooking. Let him cook. Let him cook. Yeah, see if we could break that 15 high and then pull back a little bit. Next 30 should rip up here. Hadouken. Goldie on the way down here. Got about 20 pip stops. Got about a 27 pip target, 29 pip target, and then full target's about like 75 pips.
Why do I keep seeing that in the chat? Hadouken.
Hadouken.
Well, why are we doing that? What's the reason?
I'm not sure. Good question.
Something about a fire off that I don't know about. 9:30 about to go crazy.
I can't lie. I
Yeah,
love
yeah,
him.
TK, I know what it is, but I just was wondering why we say it. What that means.
Ali
no,
Reza
yeah,
loves when we talk about the Matrix. The Matrix.
Fellow glitches.
Yeah, bro.
Hi.
Hello, fellow glitches.
Hola.
Neo, are you ready, Neo?
Good luck, fellow glitches.
Oh wow, look at back down here. Downtown.
Dig the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe.
Yeah, I gotta
I'm
watch
only
that movie
offering
again.
the truth. That's it.
I've
Nothing
watched that
more,
movie,
nothing
like
less.
one time, and I should watch it again because it's
Yeah,
been
you
a
should.
long time.
I watched it once too. I need to watch it again.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
movie
like,
you
I've probably
have
seen
to
it when it
watch
first came out.
a
and,
few
like,
times.
I didn't even
Heard?
know about the Matrix then. Yeah, when I seen it.
It's time to get unplugged.
Time to get unplugged, friends. Unplug yourself. Neo was chosen, right? Many are called, but few are chosen. So only the few will really, really understand it. Many are called, but few are chosen. Neo was
Oof.
chosen.
Who's chosen? I'm chosen.
Buzz Blabbin of I was telling my wife, I don't know why, but I was telling my wife, there's a guy or girl in our chat. His name is Buzz Blab. Buzz Blab. I think it's when we were watching Toy Story the other day. Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Black.
Lightyear.
Buzz
Oh.
Lightyear. To infinity and beyond.
Yes, sir.
Sheesh. Why you gotta do us like this, Nas?
Bruh.
You gonna close right at the line, G? Holy.
Yeah, it is, bro. 1 second. Screw you, Nas. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, Goldie. Let's take a look at Nas here on MP5. Yeah, Nas does not look too bad here, chat. I think if we could re-break those highs, there's a very high chance we move up here. So for that reason, I am going to have buy stops.
Yeah, it looks good. Gave you nice support right before.
Yeah, we got that bullish close we wanted, so we'll see what happens there. We'll watch this on TradingView. If we break the lows, we'll delete. But if we respect the lows,
Yeah, I don't like the
then we're beginning to
Not
break
like
the low.
you.
Oh yeah,
That 4 hour just looked clean to drive down.
If
Honestly,
it just
I'm
like
done.
yeah.
taps
Let's
into where
delete.
it's at now.
Broke lows
never mind.
really quickly. We'll delete that.
Look at that
Let's
4 hour.
Yeah, I know the 4-hour close. Pretty basically resistance. So yeah, I'm gonna delete those. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold again real quick.
Bro, Nas is gonna be fun as hell to trade, bro. I can't wait.
Oh, yeah, gold 30 closed or open with no top wick there, so nothing for us. And Nas broke the lows there. So yeah, if I am gonna take sells, I'm gonna take them below 17,420 here. Other than that, this could be a pack runner for price to run up. But if we do get a, let me see the 15 here. Yeah, if we do get a 15 close below, that'll be perfect because we can sell right off of that resistance here that's been formed. But we need this candle to close below. And then if we do, you should have a straight run down. If not, you may move up. I'll be honest here. Yeah, you re-break those highs, you could see a push up. But I think stops are a little too. Oh, 26 pips. Actually not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Anything could happen. I mean,
anything, man. GJ never got below that range yet. Gold just driving with no top wick. What I noticed on Nas, the first minutes of 930 volume go often against the price direction before following the trend. Gotcha. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, because we're still looking for potential buys here, right? Even though the 4-hour did close weak, doji, you're still pretty bullish, I believe. Oh no, I'm sorry, I forgot we were bearish here on Nas.
Yep.
That's right. Forgot about that. Yeah, so if we do get a closure below, I'm in there for sells. But this is a funky area here, so I'm gonna wait. I don't know why I thought we were bullish for some reason. Yeah, nasty territory here.
Nah, I know, bro. Honestly, I'd be doing that too. Now looking at like GJ and Nas.
Yeah.
I'm chilling, but
not
yeah,
even
Peraz, are you excited, bro?
The teaser. Yeah, Goldie just straight down. Expected that to happen up here, but really want to see a top wick on this candle. Weekly wick fill. Which pair? Yeah, gold straight down after that 4-hour close. See, this is a bit overextended. This is what we mean when we talk about overextended. How at some point you need a support, right? You need some new support. Your last support, if you look and you take an arrow, right, and you just look at price, you go, where's the nearest support, right? Yeah, if you have to go down this far, that's pretty deep, right? You may need a pullback before going up again. Should have listened to myself. Always, brother. Always listen to yourself. Always, always, always.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here we go, breaking that high. We may take off here. Yep.
Yeah.
GJ Bleeder, can we get below? Can we close below, GJ? We've been down here quite a few times already.
All right, GJ.
Can we stay below?
GJ.
Yeah, GJ, I'm looking for sells below here. Yep, if we can close below, that's going to be good. Goldie, Goldie. Hey, by the way, congrats to the winners of the 50K challenge account last week. Are you guys all should have had your credentials over the weekend? You guys trading those accounts today or what?
Let's get it.
Y'all trading those accounts? The mod squad should have their 25Ks too, right? I think everyone got their account, even the new mods, I believe. Yeah, broke those highs there. Damn, gold. Yeah, the 15-minute was the play here today.
On what, gold?
Yeah. Mods got them all. Let's go. Up and running. Let's go. Are we getting funded account giveaways daily? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. You just got to be here to find out.
On your toes.
Bro, I had like a 200 IQ idea, but I'm like trying to get it to work, bro. I hope I can get it before the stream ends.
Let's go. Yeah, look at Nas. Yep.
That's cool though. I'm chilling.
4 hour trying to break the high here. So we got to break that high in order for us to really be confident in the move up. So we're approaching it. Approaching that high. Above there's clean traffic on the 15. Looks like you grabbed some liquidity already and we may be off to the races.
Yo, Sergio, relax, relax.
What happened?
Read his comment.
Wow, GJ is honestly looking the best right now. Yeah, for those that are in Nas, this is probably where I would have closed some partials, about 20, 22 pips up there. Yeah, beautiful. Probably could hit a 101.
I got it, baby. Now we in a matrix.
Matrix. Nice. Candles don't lie. Let's go. Good stuff. Beautiful. Hey Nick, I'm that guy. Hey, what up, that guy? That DM'd you the other day, living in a third world country, TT community. You are the game changer. Hey, what's good? What's good? What's good? Good to see you. Good to see you here. Damn, gold. Sheesh. Lot of volume.
Another gold.
Here
What's
today.
back?
Wow. 4 hour about to break the lows. There go the lows there on the 4 hour. Sheesh.
Sheesh. Go blader.
Blader.
Yeah, Marcus. Blader. Yeah, and that thing went with no top wick. That is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the only way to get in gold according to our system may have been on the 15 here. Could have kept stops above the highs there. That's it.
Yeah, but I got clapped if I'd took a trade right there. That's that 9. Where was that 9:15 or?
This next candle was 9:15.
Oh, actually,
Yep.
yeah, that could have been decent, but
Yeah, that we could have taken. We knew that happened. We just wanted to see if we could wait on the 30 there, but ended up taking off.
Yeah, 30-minute didn't want to give us a top wick.
Is there some news? Yeah. I wonder what's going on.
Any news? Let's look.
Yeah.
What
It's
we have
tough to take buys up here, especially with the new open on the 4. This is why I typically like to wait on the 15 on the 4 hour just to get some direction. Right? Cuz if candles closed above the range here, then yeah, I think price could have moved up, but we closed below. Right? We closed below on the 15. We also obviously closed below on the 30. That's why you see a drive down now. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I wonder what the 4 hour will end up doing. Still has like 3 hours to go. Man, I'm interested to see what Mr. Jerome will say.
Yeah, me too.
Weird.
Let's see what he's coming with.
Facts.
Yeah, we'll see what gold does right here. If we do move back up, you've got a nice clean move coming back now. But we just broke those 4 hour lows, so it's tough to say there. Gold might be gone. Yeah, once we broke those highs on Nas, it was straight shot. That's a beautiful move right there.
Word.
Probably
That's nice.
probably could have kept the buy stops, but yeah, looking at that 4 hour, it was a bit tough. Plus the 1 hour closing bearish, but it worked out. It worked out well. The fake out did happen right in that zone. We were on it, and the other thing too is the iffy close here on the bullish candle. But other than that, great move up, kind of well anticipated there.
Yeah, iffy on the 4 hour and 30.
I'm selling gold. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, we'll see what gold wants to do here. 15-minute candle closing in 50 seconds. Same thing with GJ. TP 2019. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, if you want to run down, you should get a move down into these zones here today. Back down to the 4 hour support. See if the daily wants to flip here. Yeah, if this candle closes with like no bottom wick, right, or closes back above, then you may see a nice move back up, but as of right now, we got nothing there. 9:45 is here. We should have more volume coming in. So again, we do need a top wick here. I need a top wick, but if you guys want, you guys can get in here. But I need to see a top wick. No top wick, no entry there for me. Just bleeding, man.
Bro, holy sh.
Later.
Wow.
Yeah, looks like we closed below here on pound yen too.
Oh.
Nice close below on the 15. Minor support levels right here. Yeah, not for nothing. I'm going to wait on the 30 and the 1 hour close here because 30 and 1 hour have not yet been able to close below. Even this candle that was down here ended up closing bullish way up here. So 30-minute 1 hour for GJ. 15 on gold is, or 15 on, yeah, I want to see if we can close above here. Yeah, I'm going to wait on the 1 hour, see if we can close above on Nas, and then gold, I'm probably going to wait on the 1 hour too. Yeah, bleeder. Yeah, we got no top wick either, so. Holy. Sheesh.
Yeah.
All goody.
My Asian session trade definitely wouldn't have got break even
On that one.
if I was hoping for the moon.
Facts.
Yeah, if we could finally get a 30, right, to close below here, then that'll be a good confirmation, because currently we've had a few 30-minute candles try and close below and just unable to do that. So if we can pull back and close right around this zone, then we can take a move coming back down into support. Plus, it'll be a 1 hour time frame.
Gold should go up because of war tensions. I actually do believe that that's why we saw the gap up on yesterday. Overnight was because of the stuff that happened in Jordan.
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
I think so. Yeah. Well, think about it. Like, well, I mean, like, not trying to say this like in a mean way, but I don't know how many U.S. soldiers died. I forget, but like, I was like, yikes. It is not good.
I don't know.
It is not good.
Not
I didn't even hear about that.
Yeah, there was something that happened yesterday afternoon, I think.
Yeah, Marcus, it might be filling the gap. Yep.
Wow. Yeah. 3 people, 30 injured. Yeah. Wow. Crazy.
Damn.
Sheesh. Many injured.
That's sad.
Right back down we go. Did you guys hit BE? I don't think yet, right? Maybe spread. Yeah, this would be nice on the 15-minute. So this is the new idea here, kind of. You get a support, and then you get a closure above, and then you could take your buys to continue this move up. Something like that. New support, breakout, clean traffic to the left, and you should have a smooth ride up.
From the fundamental point of view, gold should be going up because of the tensions. Yes. However, the dude who controls the global economy is speaking in 2 days, so they're probably not going to want to do anything too crazy until that happens. But I agree. I think that we're in for a super bullish gold this year. I think we're in for a super bullish stock market. I mean, if we just look at all of the fundamental factors that are, like, we have a lot of geopolitical tensions right now that are unraveling. We have rate cuts that are on the table, right? So if they cut the rates, then it makes it more favorable to purchase into these assets and that. But yeah, I think Wednesday we'll see our first little bit of volume that we're used to. And then a little bit more direction for, I'll say, like Q1.
Yeah, I think so too. By the way, chat, we're gonna have Clay here tomorrow. Clay is the co-owner of Top One Trader. He's gonna be here answering questions, hanging out, vibing with us a little bit. So if you guys have questions, go to my Instagram. I posted a story and it has a questionnaire in there. So if you've ever wanted to get a chance to sit across the table from the owner of a prop firm or a funding company, tomorrow's gonna be that day. So if you do have any questions, hit my Instagram questionnaire with the question, and we'll have Clay answer tomorrow.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. Yeah, you guys met him. That'll be my first time.
Yeah, if you guys didn't hear me talk about Clay and Clay's story earlier, he's got quite the story. Really does. I'll kind of talk about him again tomorrow, but yeah, quite the story that man has. Very,
my
very
God.
inspiring.
Hella good story. That's that's a life type stuff.
Yeah, literally. How do we ride gold back up? Well, we have to have signs that gold will go back up, right? So now what do we need? We need some sort of a closure back above the range here, right? Some sort of a closure back above so we can say, okay, we've planted a support. We can keep our stops below there, and then we can potentially anticipate a move back up, right? To kind of clean this downward move up. But that's the only way. Other than that, we really can't step into that elevator on the way up unless we get the door to open. This candle has no top wick, so there's some hope for it to move up, but Cassius Clay, yeah. Straight up underdog, man.
Get it.
Underdog.
Can't wait to hear from him, bro. Dude's a gangster.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm so
Underdog
grateful for the market.
vibes. All right.
One of these days, bro.
W, yeah.
One of these days. I just want to drive everywhere.
Let me show you guys Clay's before and after. Hold on. Let me go to my IG real quick.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, what the hell?
Let me show you Clay from top one. Look at this. So really quick, Clay got beat the living daylights out of him at a bar. Ended up getting put on pain medication. He fractured his skull, all that. Got addicted to pain meds, got addicted to all that. Then moved on to harder drugs like heroin and all that. He overdosed. He was dead in the bathroom floor. Somebody found him, and he changed his life from there. And this is Clay. This is his before and after right here, man. Same shirt, different guy.
Respect.
Hella respect.
Respect.
Yeah, now my man is absolutely crushing the game of life. I think he died like 3 times from overdose.
It
Yeah,
was
this dude's a savage. Beast. Yeah, you got to see some
bro,
of the
that'll
pictures.
Be awesome to speak to him tomorrow.
Yeah.
To,
Bro, this dude sent me some of the pics when he was the night he got beat. Oh my god. You talk about a beating. Holy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
this
That's
dude's a
honestly. Yeah, it's crazy. I hate the thought of people getting beat up, but yeah, it's a great transformation.
Yeah, dude got 8 lives. Man got 8 lives.
Nah, I love people like that though, because you know like a lot of people, man, they go down that path, and you know it's so hard.
Oh yeah.
It's so.
They don't make it.
You know.
Yeah, not many people can come out of that.
Right.
And not only come out of it, but thrive out of it, you know?
Yeah,
So.
exactly. Yeah, respect, bro.
For real, most people aren't making out of that. No shot.
Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, so we'll have Clay on tomorrow, gang. Clay, not only does he is he a co-owner in Top One, but this dude's a fantastic trader. Like trading changed his life. He went to like a 4 or 5 day yoga retreat. Never been the same. Never been the same after that. Yeah, crazy story. All right, Nas did the job that it was supposed to do here, so it can honestly just range at this point for the remainder of the day. All right, just range around here and here. So we'll see if it wants to give us another move there outside of 930, but this candle did exactly what it was designed to do. Break the highs, retest the previous resistance, and now it can kind of float around and do whatever.
Facts. And honestly, like with the higher time frames being bearish, you know, that could have been a 50-50 move getting up there. You know, your strategy might say otherwise, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, that's honestly why I love the 30-minute time frame so much, because sometimes the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 15 could be like not on the same page. But if the 30-minute closure at 9:30 is really, really helpful at giving us direction. And this candle did close bullish. It was a little sketchy, not gonna lie, but it did end up playing out here off the 30 minutes. So what about a giveaway? We might have a giveaway. We might have one.
What about those other mounts?
What about them?
California, please.
When are they getting
We might.
the wrench?
What do you guys say? Should we give some more wrenches out today, or should we make them wait? They waited a long weekend.
I think maybe make them wait.
Wait a little longer. A little long.
Test the patience. Patience.
Patience, honestly, since being great in this craft involves patience, so let's work on patience.
Bring out the wrenches.
Make them wait.
Make them wait.
Yo,
Tomorrow.
bring out the Walmart wrenches for now.
Buffy says wait till Friday. Sure.
Oh.
You gonna have them wait until next month to end the week strong.
All right. They want to see you guys wait a little bit longer.
I'm with it.
Hey, if you can wait, if you could wait on gold, you can begin to wait on anything.
Hell yeah.
You're a Walmart wrench.
Walmart wrench.
Sam got a menace giggle. He's like, Maw.
Nah.
So what up, chat? You guys taking any trades today? How you guys doing on the day? As you can see, price is not giving me what I want here today. I'm sure some of you guys have taken trades. What are you guys doing? How you guys looking? You guys, how many wins? How many losses? Actually, are you up 1%, down 1%? What? Let me know. I'm up 1%. I'm down 1%. I'm up 3%. What you guys got going on here for today?
Any trades?
Oh,
Like under 0.5% from Asian session.
GJ ended up moving down here on the 15. Nice. 9 pips.
A lot of no trades.
Nas dropping. Yeah, look at that now. Took Nas buys. Nice, nice. No trade day. Very good. No trade day. W. Nice Billy O'Neill. Juicy gold short. Nice Miguel. Nice, nice. 22 pips on USD CAD. Beautiful. Down 3%. No biggie. Plus 0.8. Beautiful. 2 W's. Sold GJ in gold. Nice. Nice, nice.
W's.
Got a W in pre-London. W in London. Beautiful. Up 1%. Awesome.
Nice, nice. Nice, AB Mike.
Was down 8% from the beginning of the month. Now down 4%. Let's go. Big W.
Get it.
GJ on the break of the
Let's
15
get it.
lows. Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
California breeze.
Yeah, GJ. I wanted to wait for the 1 hour here, but looks like it ran without us. We got 1 hour closure coming up on everything here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think
Gold
my
pulling back.
January's been kind of slow. I think I'm. Well, let me look.
January. Yeah, January's been pretty slow so far. Typical January. Not really jumping out the gate, forcing trades or anything like that. Just. Yeah, 1B, 2 losses, and what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 wins. So not a bad start to the year. All right, so
That's pretty
gold closed bullish on the 15, but no top wick. 30-minute close very strong bearish here on gold. So same thing with the 1 hour, right? So 1 hour needs a top wick, 30-minute needs a top wick, and then there may be a wick fill here. Unless gold's just going to do us dirty all day. do us dirty all day long.
Did it close below? Nah,
Yeah,
for real, bro.
1 hour did. 30-minute did. No top wick.
Word.
Yeah, Nas may be good to move up here as well. You got this top wick here. You got like a 17 pip stops for like a 22 pip wick fill. It's not looking too bad here. Let's take a look. Yeah, not bad, chat. I'm gonna have buy stops right here on Nas to move up. Looks pretty good. So give this buy a second shot here. See if we can come up and fill that wick. If we can, that'd be awesome. Dum, dum. Yeah, buy stops. I'm gonna keep stops below the current low here. Not gonna use the previous lows, just gonna use the current low. And going half risk, so risking 1% here. And we'll see if we can get activated. These two got a yeah, we are brothers. Yep. Me and John are brothers. Yes. Hey, if you guys are new to the stream, give the stream a like here today. Sub to the channel. We're gonna be doing. I'm gonna try and get a $50,000 challenge account giveaway at least once a week. I'm gonna see if we could do that, chat. I'm gonna see what we could squeeze out of top one. And they're willing to help us out too, which is dope. So they've been very, very willing and in agreement with all of my requests, and might be able to get us some free accounts, some free challenges. Yeah.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Yeah, W.
Gold just continuing down. GJ's too low. Yeah, only thing I see here is Nasdaq buys if we break that high. 4 hour moving back down. 30-minute looks good though. 1 hour looks good. The only way this will kind of like chalk itself, right? If this kind of breaks the lows here and closes below the zone. Other than that, it can move up at any point. Stops are going to be getting a bit steep. Let's take a look. About 23 pip stops right now. Let's have a look at gold. Gold trying to do something here. 1 hour close below. 30-minute close below. So pretty good, but this could be where you get your fake out, right, for price to move back up. So I think who said it? John Wayne, right? Yeah, if you can get a closure here. 15 did close, but not what I want to see. If you can get a closure on the 30-minute time frame like this, then I think there's a good high chance we could move back up a bit. At least back up into this range here. Maybe not all the way up, but back into this zone.
That's what I was just thinking about, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
'Cause I had buy stops.
Yeah, on the 15?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
What are you guys talking about, gold?
Oh,
Yes.
all right. We're breaking the low. So TTD again on Nas.
Sheesh.
Gonna delete again here. Stops are getting a bit steep as well. Let's see. 37 pip stops now. Yeah, we're running into this zone here. So this is where you're gonna either reject or close below. And I think if we do get a closure below, then you should have a nice clean drive coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah, TTD. Time to delete.
More waiting.
Here we go, gold. Two attempts here on Nas today.
See, Nas could have did that on the break of the highs before, on that
Yeah, exactly.
previous candle. It could have did the same thing. That's
Yeah,
what we
sure.
talk about, bro. We have the greater responsibility of being patient, disciplined, listening to our technical system.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Pretty much all session, you're gonna draw up plays. It's kind of like a basketball coach, right? Call timeout, bring out the board, draw up a play, and sometimes you just draw this up and you gotta chalk it, right? And then you move on to the next play. Draw it up. Sometimes it works. Sometimes you gotta chalk it again. So nothing wrong with generating ideas throughout your session. You don't have to execute on them all the time. Especially when they're not playing out, it's totally fine to just delete and wait for a new candle to reveal itself. Yeah, Nas closes back above the range, right? Then you have a nice celery play. So that's something that we can look towards next. That could be our next play that we draw up. All right, and if we do get it, then we can execute. If not, then we can chalk it. Let's see Goldie here. Gold trying to flip. Someone asked if you could take it off the flip. I wouldn't take it off the flip. I wouldn't take this trade based off the 30. 15 is okay, because he did get a bullish close there on the 15. The one thing I don't like so much is that it closed a no top wick 1, but it also closed below the range here. So, but that doesn't mean it can't fly up here.
Yep, anything could happen.
Anything.
What you boys got going on for the rest of the day?
The rest of the day, I've got 3 kids to look after. Got some work to do on some stuff on the website. Yeah, I got some work to do. Coaching call, so it should be a good afternoon.
Sounds like a great day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my gym out the way.
Yeah, I gotta go to gym
like
too.
Basic stuff. Laundry.
Facts. Laundry day.
Like, yeah,
Nice.
that kind of stuff.
Maybe take a ride through the lakes or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. The lake's frozen.
Frozen.
Oh,
baby.
where?
I mean, like, it
I used
might
to-
well
I
be,
used-
bro.
I used to love just driving through the lakes back in New York, or even down here. It's pretty dope.
Oh yeah, we had Great Lakes. Well, not the Great Lakes, but good lakes in New York.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Here comes the flip.
That's a ride I must take every time I'm there.
Gold buy from 2022. Oh, nice. Forex Frank. Let's see. Sniper entry.
Yeah, bro. Facts. You are a machine, Nick.
La Máquina.
Go skating on the ice? I'm scared of that, bro. I might fall in and then that'll be not a good day.
That wouldn't be good.
Louis G getting a shoulder day in. Let's go.
I don't even know
Shoulders.
how to ice skate. Bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna do shoulders today too.
Really?
You don't know how to ice
Actually,
skate? We gotta get
Nah,
you
I've
out
never
there,
been.
bro.
Oh, actually, no, I've been ice skating one time.
All right, then you don't know how. I've been ice skating one time when I was 8.
yeah, he was gonna be on the boards.
Yeah, I think it was like 3 or 4 years ago.
Nice.
But yeah,
Green's the best ice skater.
really? Is he good at it?
Nah.
Oh damn.
Honestly, I don't know. He just said not me, so that's why I said that.
Green, you don't want to ice skate on top of the lake?
Oh. Wow, same exact thing.
Yo, for real.
Green, what are you working out today at the gym? Mr. Buff man. What you got going
I
on?
need the walker. That's funny, Lewis.
I know how to trade. I traded once. Yeah, trading thing. I got it. I did that once a couple years ago. Took a trade. You know how to? You have a rollerblade, Sam?
Mhm. Yeah, rollerblade, not skates.
Yeah, rollerblading is.
Blades.
I got rollerblades. Haven't been on
Wait.
them in a little bit.
Yo, bro, we gotta go rollerblades, Tom.
Bro, I seen a video this weekend of some guy who he's pretending he worked at Sonic, and then he would just like pull up to the car with the rollerblades on, absolutely wipe out all the food.
Sounds like a Nelka prank or something.
Yo, he was hilarious, bro.
All right, I just want to see if we can make some. We could kind of do a little bit more of an analysis here. So what we're noticing on gold is obviously a rejection here, right? So a pretty strong rejection to the highs here. We are still pretty bullish. We did break the previous daily candles high, so that's one thing that's still working for the bull move up here on gold. The 4 hour now broke the lows here. So this is where it gets challenging, right? This is where it gets a little tough. this could be a potential fake out now. So you may have a fake out here on the 4 hour for price to continue going down. Right now, if we do go down, we'll most likely retest support at 2016. So what does that look like on the hourly, right? So hourly candles did close below. You do have an official top wick at this point. 30-minute candle closed below as well, or right at support. So we closed slightly below, I would say. 15-minute is giving us a potential resistance, right? So if this 15 gives us a resistance, you will most likely see another push down here, right? So you get a resistance here, got a new resistance all below this range here, right? And then the next candle may do something like this to drive down. Now, if we look left, we also have another support right here. And that's where we're chopping around, right? That's where the strong move ended, right in this pretty much a no trade range, right? This range right here becomes, in a way, a no trade range. If you do get below it after creating this resistance, then there should be a nice continued move down. But the way things are looking for buys right now is I would much rather wait for a closure above this 2026 zone, right? We got a closure above, price tends to move up, closure above, price tends to move up. So most likely gonna wait on that, close above, moved up. Yeah. So right now we're kind of in this like no man's land. We had the aggressive move down and we're just kind of messing around here. So gets a bit tough to take buys and sells in this area. I think as long as we can wait for some sort of a breakout, or even if you break the lows on the next candle, it may be good, but we got time for that. So we'll see how the 15-minute candle closes here. GJ just driving down here. Oh, what did Nas do? Nas is breaking the highs again here now. Holy, we may fill this wick.
Charts be trolling.
Sheesh. Monday, how you doing?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Alright, I gotta go shower and I'm gonna go get on my day.
All right, cool. Cool. Yeah.
All right, have a good day, Sam.
Typical
Yes,
Monday here.
Yeah, typical Monday. Yep.
All right, brother.
All right,
I'll
yep.
see you later. Go wake
Peace,
up
bro.
Joe Biden. Tell him the American people are waiting. And
Yeah.
yeah.
Sir, I'll do all that for you.
I'll see you
Peace,
later,
bro.
bro.
Yep.
Stay blessed.
You guys take it easy, chat. Take it easy. I'm gone.
Peace. Later, Gator. Yeah, lovely Monday here. Lovely Monday.
Yeah, that might do it for me too here. Good day, good Monday. W day for patience and discipline.
Yeah. You're going to dip off?
Yeah. You're
All
chilling? You're gonna be chilling?
Yeah, I'll chill for a few more minutes. See what we do.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna head off. I'll give you a call a little bit later today or something.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right,
All right, bro. I'll see you
bro.
later.
Have a good day.
Peace.
Chat. Peace. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Count your blessings today. Peace out, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.
Love you, buddy. Later.
Brother Nick, love you, bro.
See ya.
Peace.
All right. You're stuck with me now, chat. Yeah, GJ tapping target there. So, good move. Good move. Just bought 32K challenge from top one. Oh, nice. Hey, chat, I'm going to be documenting every trade we take on this challenge. After the live stream, I'm doing like a little quick, like 5, 6, 7 minute video of the day, what we were coming in for, what happened, win, loss, you know, how we did, how we managed the trade, all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be documenting everything. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, this thing might move up again here. So broke the lows on us twice and continue moving up. So something to take note of there. 2 pack runners, one on the 1 hour, one on the 30 minute. Denzi. Raja's a savage, man. Don't worry, I won't do y'all like Raja be doing you guys. I promise. Sometimes you catch me before, if I don't read my Bible or something, or my morning routine is off. Sometimes you catch me whip a Quaker up or something, hit him with the rainbow pattern thingy, Elliott wave over here or something. But other than that, I promise I won't treat you guys like that. Oh man, Raja's the GOAT. Too much sauce. Yeah, Goldie moving its way down here. And that's why we typically won't take the buy here, right? Candle with no wick. A lot of times what'll happen is those who don't really know about this wick thingy-majiggy, they will enter, right? So this little zone, you guys ever had a buy stop and you get wicked in and you don't see 1 pip of profit? Right? That typically happens when a candle closes with no top wick, and then the next candle will drive up to activate buyers and then right back down. Happens all the time. About to turn savage. Sometimes I go savage a little bit. When I want to mess with the Quakers, sometimes I'll hit them with a little savagery, but not very often. I've honestly, my win rate on Quakers is really getting good because we've been turning a lot of Quakers into winners, and that's my goal with the Quakers this year, is to either let them quake or hit them with some logic, right? Like, you ain't never gonna do well in life by putting other people down. It just ain't gonna happen, right? You're only fooling yourself. So sometimes you gotta hit him with a little Raja. Mess with him. Why would I take a buy, you idiot? What do I look like, a moron? Yeah, that dude's hilarious. Is that a trend line on gold? Trendy, baby. Let's take a look. Let's whip out our trend line. Where is it? Right here? Which one? This one? Where do we want to draw it? This way? This way? Trendy, baby. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Yeah, I don't know. Not too sure. Not too sure. Or maybe it's this one. Is this it? Now what do we have to do? We have to break and retest the trend line. Oh, you know I got my notes from back in the day still. Let's run a fib. Let's run a fib. Oh, Fibonacci lines up with the trend liney. Hey, yo. 61.8. Golden zone. Yo, you might be right, Spence. Retracement. Boom, boom, boom. Consolidation. And then down we go. How am I? Am I good? It's that swaggy C system right here. You guys see I use the fib, right? I've got all the best. I got the 50, I got the 61.8, 78.6. I got it on here. I got take profit levels, I got stop loss levels. I used to use this thing. Until I started being like, wait, what about if I drew it from here? Oh, hold on. Which way does it go? Breakout. Yeah, so not much happening now. I think you're gonna range here a bit like we talked about on Nas. Gold is showing no signs of letting up here. Right, we're just kind of bleeding again here. So no signs of any buys at the moment. Nothing to do. Get the sword out. Yeah, I forgot which one I was using. Otherwise, I would have whipped it out. Have to hit him with the trend line then. Yeah, I forgot. Where's the little rainbow dude? What do you guys think of my analysis? Fibonacci trend line. Pretty good. Are you gonna head off? Why, you want me to go? You're done with me? I'm done with you today, man. No top wicks. Bring out the whole creepy trend line. On point. Yeah, you see that? I'm on point. Not valid fib. All right, where's the valid fib from? 4-hour chart? 1-hour chart? Sergio loading up. Let's go. Wow, GJ really driving here. Sheesh. Yeah, I think I am going to head off here. I think what my plan is for the remainder of the session here is you may, like I said earlier, you may just kind of range now throughout this zone here on Nas. But I believe if you do get a closure below the support level, then you should see price begin to drive down at that point. So you get a closure below, you've got clean traffic to the left, you may see a drive. Keep in mind, Nas does move towards the later hours, right? Towards like, because this is this is not a Forex pair, right? This is heavily influenced by the U.S. stock exchange here. So you may get a move. We're consolidating for now, but it looks like we're trying to create resistance here to continue down. That's what I got for Nas. Goldie, yeah, gold, I'm probably just going to let go here today. Not touch gold the remainder of the day. Same thing with GJ. So as of now, I'm just going to potentially sit on this move here on Nas and wait for something to play out there. If not, we may, like I said, we may range a bit. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, W day, no trade day here for me, but that's okay. It's Monday. We will we'll get off to a good start here. Remember, we got Clay coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow should be an awesome stream. We should have some better direction too on gold here. Let's go ahead and look at the daily one more time. Yeah, if the daily candles can actually make a decision outside of this consolidation here, then I think that's when we're going to get ready to rip. But that may not happen till Wednesday. So we'll see. We got big news coming up here this week. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's live stream. I think we have a 50K account to give away. So don't miss the live stream tomorrow. Clay will be with us for a couple minutes, probably a half hour, 40 minutes or so. We'll get to pick his brain on a few things and yeah, see if we can get on the board here for the week. So I'm out of here, y'all. Love you guys. Have a great day. And don't overtrade, don't over risk. And we'll see you tomorrow.